There we go. Good morning. All right. Okay, we're live on all the things. Go ahead with a question.
Yesterday doing some studying in the evening, someone mentioned, and I back tested it, that you may want to also follow TLT, that it's a sign for showing the direction of the markets in the ES and SPY.
Mm-hmm.
Didn't know whether you had an opinion on that or whether you heard it. I looked at
Never
it.
heard of it.
Okay.
Nope. Is that a ticker?
Well, TLT is I think the bonds.
Yeah, I never look at it. Nope. Because it's probably in direct, yeah, it's probably though in direct correlation with SPY.
Yeah, it is. I
Yeah.
went and looked at it and validated, and they say it's good for understanding more along the trends of the day as opposed to scalping.
Okay.
So you know maybe what the market's going to try and do during the day.
Yeah, no, I can pull that from SPY or QQQ, but I mean, if it works for you, do it, right?
Well, I don't know. I'm going to try it today. I got it up on my screen.
There you go.
Because did I see something that you're doing a cancer walk or something? So you're going to be.
Yeah, and sorry that was such late notice. My wife just told me last night and then sent me the link this morning. She's like, you should send this to your people. And I'm like, how about more than a day's notice? That would be great. And then I looked at it, I'm like, well, you put it in my name. I wish you would have put it in American Dream Trading name. She went in this morning and she couldn't change it. So I'm like, okay. a little disorganized on that, but it was literally, she just saw it last minute, signed us up to do the walk. So yeah, it's in the, I posted it in the stock lounge. There's a link for it. It's called Here for the Girls. It's a local walk that we're doing to raise money for breast cancer. So
That's awesome.
yeah, it looks like it's a small, local event type of thing, but whatever we can do to help, you know what I mean?
Oh, absolutely.
Yeah, I'm all for that. So all right.
Thank you.
Yeah, for sure. All right, so SPY looks like it's still down. I was hoping that job market would have popped it up, but whatever. We don't care. We'll still make it happen. We've already posted the hot stock picks for the day. Already scalped this morning. I'm up $499.37 to start the day, and that was before 9. Like I said, if you're invested and you don't have a lot of time and you're like, hey coach, I can only do this, before work, it's pretty easy to be done well before regular work shift because the pre-market opens at 4 a.m. I think the first scalp I did this morning was at 4:03 this morning, 4:03 a.m. Beat starting to make a move here above VWAP again. Yeah, what is today, the 6th? Yeah, 4:02 was my first scalp this morning. Do you see it? On Peggy. So right here, PEGY at 4:02 was my first trade of the day at 4:02 a.m. I was in it for 20 seconds. I made like $150 on it. Just like that.
Hey, morning, Coach.
Good morning.
Hey, on BEAT, so I got in a little bit before that second pop.
Okay.
And I held on because I only went in with like 2 shares because I don't trade pre-market.
Sure.
So I just wanted to try it out.
Yeah, get a
but
feel
I
for
saw
it.
that there was someone in level 2 who had a buy order of 33,000 shares.
Yeah.
$5.90.
Yep.
So I was like, oh yeah, it'll come back when it hits that.
Yep.
It did not. So
yeah, that's because they can pull those out, right? If it starts to come down to the level, they'll just walk away. They'll go, nah, I don't like the setup, and then they'll pull all that out. So even though it looks like it could be support, doesn't mean it's going to, because at any point they can cancel that order.
Jimmy.
It's like a rug. Yeah, it's like a rug pull, right?
Yeah, so I mean, I sold off for like pennies.
Oh, you're right.
So I was like, okay, but I'm glad I found that out now.
Yes.
Instead of with a big, so.
Oh yeah, and pre-market, I'm usually never holding longer than 30 seconds. Just so you know, like when I go in, I'm out. I'm not playing around in there. There's no stops. You can get burned right away. The only time I don't is something like this. Like I was in TQQQ this morning, right? That's not a stock that's just gonna fall apart because it follows SPY. So, but yeah, these fast moving penny stock things, no, I'm in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. That's it.
Did you do TQQQ kind of as a jobs play?
I did. That's exactly what I did it as. Yep.
Nice.
Yep.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can see right here, TQQQ. If you look at this is my buy order. Let me see. I placed it at 834 when it was spiking. And then I sold it at, it's the top one, 842. So 7 minutes later. I think I made like 150 bucks on it. It wasn't big, but it was enough of a morning pop.
Nice.
Yep. So again, I'm not hanging around in pre-market, right? I'm not like, because that was 2,500 shares. I think I had $50,000 in TQQQ this morning. I'm not, even that, I'm not just going to sit there in it. You know what I mean?
Yeah, that's too big to sit on it.
Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, some goofball comes in and whale dumps SPY and then TQQ pulls apart and, you know, it's like, oh. So, yeah.
I told myself, like, I'm never trading pre-market there.
Yeah,
And I'm like,
pre-market's.
okay, I'm maybe going with like the little tiny bit.
Yeah. Well, the funny thing is if you can scalp in and out real quick and you get used to it and you're not like supersizing, you know, like I said, I could be done trading, not kidding, every day easily before the bell rings. I mean, easily. It's a slower moving market, right? You have more time. I mean, look at how slow TQQ is, right? Like you kind of get to see what does it want to do, right? You
What
get
helps me
time.
get out, like if it's not.
Yeah, then I'm out.
If it pop,
Yeah.
If it pops.
Yep.
For anyone that's trying pre-market or wants to.
Yep.
Like, if you want to get out quick, like when you hit limit style.
Yep.
Just hit the minus sign maybe two or three times. It'll take you down like a couple cents.
Yeah.
Usually for me, it fills it right away.
Yep. Yeah, I just try to get the hell out of it if it's dumping. That's the problem. Pre-market is it's like there's nothing. Just like this, the beat looks really good right here, right? So it's just broke above VWAP. It's making a nice move, but again, so I would be in and out. 1,000 shares in, 1,000 shares out. It would literally be like quick scalping, 10 bucks, 10 bucks, 10 bucks, 10 bucks, 10 bucks, nothing else. I wouldn't play in there. I wouldn't hang on to it. The closer you get to this up here, well, the 635 range, the more somebody's going to want to pull the rug and dump it and collect profit. Then the closer we get to 930, the riskier it is, right? Because people are like, oh yeah, man, I've been bag holding this thing since $2. I'm dumping it now. Yeah, I'm dumping it now. So, but see, like the 613, when I said this looks great, it's now 618, 619. See, like you have that small window that you could be in here, in, out, in, out, in, out. But you've got to be done. You can't hang around. It's not, you know, don't be sitting in there. And it's dangerous because you could have a whale come in, sell 20,000 shares of this thing, and it pulls back, you know, 10 cents, and you're holding 1,000 shares. And they're like, oh. So pre-market's pretty rough.
I made a couple $100 this morning, Coach.
Oh.
IMBI.
Oh yeah, nice. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, I made some money off that too. I called that way early this morning.
I got into it yesterday.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, I did that one this morning at, right here I had 15,591 shares. Let's see, 721. See, look how fast I'm in there. I bought it at 721.54. I was out at 722.10. That's 16 seconds I held that. Made my money, got the hell out. You see how quick those are?
Very nice.
It's like, whoop, whoop.
Yeah, I bought yesterday for like 74 and then dumped it at 710.
Yeah, I'm in and out of those quick. All right, so let's see.
everybody.
Good morning. All right, so SPY is red, QQQ is red, Tesla was red, it's down 0.5%. We'll see what it wants to do.
He's taken off again.
Is it? Okay, good. Nice, nice. Yeah, that's great. So it broke that 635. Yep, new high a day. I told you that looked good right there, right? That was at 613 when I said, hey, look, that looks really good.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Looking at that Tesla chart at 834, what the heck is that huge candle wave?
I don't know. Somebody else brought that up. That's typically like an 8 o'clock thing it does.
Right.
I've never seen it at 834. So I don't know if a whale came in and then just sold right away, like bought, sold. I don't know what that was. That's weird. That looks like an 8 o'clock spike.
It's like the middle finger to us.
Yeah, that's a Jimmy finger. So, yeah, that's if you're gonna get it, I'm gonna dunk you like Shaquille O'Neal. Right on your.
I was looking at that this morning. We were talking about it. It's like a $4 or $5 candle. It's like what a spread.
Yeah, that's wild.
Like 2%.
Yeah, I don't like it. It's fake as hell.
I like it.
That's fake. I don't like it. Look at CCNC pulling back to VWAP here. See it? There's a lot of volatility this morning. Just be careful. The market's really skittish. You can see everything's pretty much red. That's all right though. You know we don't give a crap. Red, green, purple. I don't care. We're printing. Do what you want.
Got a couple F cancer bugs last night as well.
One second. Hold on, Papi Chulo. Let me get you squared away. See what's going on. No, you're all set. You got a lifetime. Have full access.
Coach, I got a question when you get a chance.
Yeah, go ahead.
Trying to get my extended hours quotes and it's saying they're not included in the current interval. It's not letting me click on it.
Are you on a day chart or are you on a 1 minute chart?
Oh, I'm on a day. Yeah.
There you go. You go on a long chart.
Oh,
Yeah.
thank you.
Damn.
No problem. Have a great one.
You too.
Peggy made a big move in the post market.
Repeat that.
Peggy made a big move in the post market and pre-market.
Yeah, that's on Coach's hot stock picks as well.
Oh, was I didn't look at the calls yet for his part.
Yeah, so he's got CCNC, KRDP, STAB, Peggy, IMBI, BEAT, REBB, and COMS.
And I lag.
There's no eye lag. No damn eye lag.
No, the other one's FNGR. The finger.
Yes.
Show us the finger.
That one scares me.
Mm-hmm.
Coach, I have a quick question.
Yeah, go ahead. And then we're gonna get started. Yeah, go ahead.
Okay, I have 10,000 in my account right now. I want to get it up to 25. Once it goes to 25, do I have to change anything?
Yeah, and you'll want some cushion too, so I would do like 26 or 27 because it can't fall back below 25. But yeah, once you get to 25 or 26, 27, whatever you're comfortable with, then you'll flip it to a margin account.
Next page.
Membership 3252.
Hey, Coach, could you give me your opinion on the hollow candles quick?
Give me my opinion on hollow candles. I don't like them.
You don't like them?
No, just because that's just a preference though. That has nothing to do with anything else. See,
I mean, they work.
Yeah. They're identical. Yeah, they're identical.
Okay.
But see how they look on my screen?
Yep.
Something about it. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's just the outline, but then it distracts me from like my view. I don't know. It does something to me with my lines.
Yeah.
I was trying to get used to it too, but I can't either.
Yeah, I just can't. I can't do it.
Yeah.
Can't do it, but
No, just like I know a lot of people, that use
I
these
know.
sticks, and I'm like, nope.
Gives me anxiety right
It does, right? I was like, I don't like it.
Good morning, thank you, sir.
Good morning. Yeah, I think I'm just old school, but I do know a lot of people that use those, right?
Yeah, it's
I
people like
just-
their stick for some reason.
Yeah, and I know a lot of people that use these sticks. Man, that
That just confuses me.
that just drives me insane. Look at it, too many squiggly like.
Yeah, I don't feel like you can look at it and just get the picture.
No, I feel like I'm playing the old snake game on the phones or something. Like it's
Yeah.
walking like an Egyptian here. I can't do it.
Yeah. Well,
Oh, there you go.
There's one more, there's the Heiken Ashi.
Yeah, I don't like that either.
Okay.
Yep, that's the worst one for me. But you know, people swear by it and they love it. But
I've been
Yeah.
liking it because I can see what's going on a lot better, I think.
yep,
Which ones are that?
that's
The Heiken Ashi.
yeah.
What do they look like?
It's on my screen now.
Oh, okay. Is
Yeah.
that the ones you normally use?
No. This is the regular candles. This
I haven't
one's.
thought about that snake game in a long time.
I know, I didn't until I saw those.
On my little Motorola phone.
Yeah, right. Old school. Yeah. There's a time killer when you're sitting there bored out of your brain somewhere on a job site, or you got downtime.
Yep.
All right, let me get this party started. I'm gonna mute the mics for a little bit. There's gonna be a lot going on, so just bear with me. Because we're 10 minutes to the bell, and I gotta get through my entire morning spiel so everybody can fall asleep, and then the bell will ring and we'll wake them up. So good morning, everybody. Thank you for being here. If this is your first time here, appreciate it. This is American Dream Trading. Hold on a moment. I am your host, Coach CWC. Hopefully everybody's having a good day. This is Thursday, 10/6. I am recording this on YouTube Live, so if we want to do any highlight films, we can. Thank you for joining us over on Facebook, YouTube Live, 2 TikTok accounts, American Dream Trading and Coach CWC. Make sure you follow on all the things just so you don't miss out in case one of the systems is down or we lose service or for whatever reason. If you're new here, we are a training company. So basically I will train you on how to be an actual trader. So this is not a buy, call, signal type, Discord group probably that you're used to. I actually train people every single day. This is my 10th full week of doing this live. Tomorrow actually ends the 10 weeks of doing this live every single day for training. I'm here every day at 9 a.m. Eastern all the way through until the bell or I lose my voice, whichever one comes first. But if you want to be a part of what we are doing here, you can go over to AmericanDreamTrading.com. Make sure you click on join the Discord. It is free if you want to get access to this training all day long, where you'll get access to my display, my system, my live trades in the simulator, everything we're doing, full Q&A. Basically being able to take my 30 years that I've been doing this and ask any and all questions so you can be a trader. Then you would want to sign up. I have that limited lifetime membership, which is a one-time fee for $550, or you can join the monthly membership, which is recurring. It's $110. Yes, you can cancel it at any time. Some of the things that are a little different about us here is that we like to practice 100% risk management. We don't make any trades without any stop losses. The reason we do that is because I want to help you protect your assets while I grow your portfolio. It's the best and easiest way to do that. So before you enter any trade, make sure you have your stop loss in place. You already know your entry and your exit strategy, right? And then worry about the sizing, how much position size you're going in with. If you go in too heavy, you're going to get emotional. You're going to keep getting stopped out. So try going in smaller. If you've been burned in the past before you got here, make sure you are practicing in your simulators, which is paper trading. You can do that through Webull, TD Ameritrade, TradingView. A lot of them have paper trading. Make sure you're doing that. Also, make sure you're sizing in small. If you're gun shy from being burned for a long time before showing up here, right? Instead of buying 100 shares, buy 1. Practice with it. Practice your stop loss. Practice your trailing stops. Practice how you enter, how you exit. know everything that's going on. Same with options. If you're new to options trading, which is much harder than shares, right? But if you're new to options trading, instead of buying 10, 20, 30, 100 contracts, buy one small one, right? $5 in your simulator. Do something small. Start with that. See how it works, how it moves, how you're able to cancel and create the orders and stop the orders. And oh no, the order didn't get filled. How do I quickly go in and modify the order? Get your mechanics down. The mechanics are going to be a huge part of what we do. I will teach you how to be a scalp trader, intraday trader, swing trader, long-term trader, day trader. Anything that you could imagine I've done and we will do in here. Right now, I'm also running a class through Robinhood, so you see another brokerage account that we're using. This one, we are practicing the wheel option strategy, which is cash secured puts and covered calls. As you know, typically you want to do those during a bull market, which we are in the worst bear market, right? We've seen in a long, long time since November. But the account is still holding up. That account is still positive. I started that on the 14th. We've had 3 green days out of 13, and the account is still to the upside, like a 1.5%. So, and that is just using strategies from a cash secure put and covered calls. And don't worry if you're not used to that. I have tons of videos. If you're a member, a paid member, whether you're lifetime or monthly, you will also gain access to the videos on demand where I do go over and show you and train you on cash secured puts, covered calls, day trading, swing trading, like all the indicators I use and why I do them, call options, put options. There's the 2-minute strategy, which you're going to see over and over and over that we use that I developed myself in here over 30 years that has a pretty high success rate, as you'll hear and see. So other things like that. We do move pretty fast. I go over a lot of different trading ideas. I make well over 50 to 100 trades in the simulator. You have the opportunity for every type of trade as I'm doing it. So when you see the type of trade that looks good for you or something you want to hone in on, that's the one you should be concentrating on. If you're a fast, quick scalper like me, you're in and out, in and out, in and out. I'll make a trade in under 2 or 3 seconds. I'm in, I'm out. I'm in, I'm out. I'm in, I'm out. Then I'll flip over and we'll do a 2-minute trade. I'll see an Elliott wave oscillator will flip over. It'll look like a prime time. I'll enter and then I can sit in that for up to hours. So now we're intraday trading. But what we never do is go in that you want to scalp and then try to turn that into a swing trade, right? Now you're starting to mix a bunch of things together. So you kind of want to go in with a strategy of what you're going to use. Now some can develop into that, right? You could scalp and it just continues to run and then I'll turn into, I'll stop dragging my stop loss up, turn it into a trailing stop and let that thing go. So there are things you can do, but know your strategy as you're going in, what you're doing, why you're doing it, and practice, okay? So again, thank you guys for being here. I want to thank all my military family, everyone that's served or that is serving. We honor you every day. Thank you to all my first responders, my police officers, my firefighters, my teachers, my doctors, my truck drivers. Thank you guys for doing what you do to help us to be able to do what we do every day. So thank you so much. We honor and love you guys. Appreciate everybody. And thank you again so much for being here. Our count now for our membership, I just like to get a count to see where we're at. We are now at 5,073 members, so we did hit that magical 5,000 numbers. Thank you so much. Again, if you want to join us and you're serious and you want to come over and actually learn how to be a trader, right? I will teach you. If you want to stop being a call chaser or a buy signal follower, come over here and I'll teach you how to trade. I promise you, if you watch what we're doing, you give us some time, you will see that we are different. American Dream Trading is all about people helping people, so we want to serve the community. I do have a link in the stock lounge. My wife and I are doing a breast cancer walk this morning. Sorry for the late notice. We literally just signed up for it yesterday, but I do have a link if you want to donate. It's just a local walking thing. You don't have to. It's just something that, we're trying to give back to the community and help others. Speaking of that, Every penny that's spent on one of these F cancer mugs over at American Dream Trading, we're gonna donate every dollar of that to breast cancer research. Okay. So something else.
Last night.
So something else if you want to get in there. We are now 2 minutes to the bell. I want to thank all my moderators that help me do what I'm doing every day. Puny, Carter, Paula at the beach, Brian's Tech, Johan, and Unhappily a Housewife. Thank you guys so much. I love everybody. Let's have an amazing day. We are now less than 1 minute to the bell. We already have our hot stock picks, which all of our paid members get every day before the bell. We are ready to rock and roll. Let's kick some ass today. If you guys have questions, make sure to post them. I will turn back around periodically through the day and talk to every one of you. Make sure you're following all the things. We do have 2 giveaways. I'll be doing one of them by the end of this week and then probably another one next week. That was the kindness and generosity of our own members that gave those. So look out for those when we're ready to do it. So we now have 20 seconds to the bell. We have our hot stock picks. The market right now is red. We don't care at American Dream Trading. We will still make money. And congratulations too, by the way, for one of our members now making $10 million. That's awesome. Appreciate you. So here we go. Let's rock and roll. We are off and running. Looks like SPY's starting to come alive already. I want to see SPY though break this 377.35 before I want to really long this thing. Let me see here. So it is showing red, right? Obviously out of the gate from the pre-market. I'm going to look at entering a couple of puts for tomorrow. Just a couple small ones in my simulator. Just to have some in there. Let me see what's going on. I'm gonna wait a minute because it looks like it wants to pull up.
Tesla's Eiffel Tower.
Oh, yep, I see it. Thank you. Tesla on the spike, morning break. Good call out. I guess we could jump on a Tesla. We'll just do a couple. Gonna bounce around this morning. Remember, if you are a new trader, you should not be trading first thing in the morning. You want to wait a half an hour. If you are a new trader, this is not your time. It's more volatile. It's more dangerous.
Thanks, Coach.
Yep, yep.
Holy crap.
Yeah, I can't even catch it. I barely caught that. I caught the tail end of it, which is probably really expensive now. I caught the super spike. I will set a stop on here. I'll have a pretty loose stop. Tesla's still to the upside. Nice, just sold off Tesla, made a quick hundo on that. Yeah, did you?
Coach, I know you made some money on Carnival not too long ago. It leaked out of the gate this morning.
Oh, good, good, good. Tesla's still pulling to the upside here. Nice job. I'm just quick scalping Tesla. Using stops as I go.
Nike is flying too.
Nike's flying, thank you. Nike's been on a nice move lately. Nike's been on a real nice move lately. SPY still to the upside. I like SPY at this range. SPY's starting to show a good call here. Just want it to breathe a little bit, and then I want to hammer it.
You got your first screen on the 2-minute EWO.
On SPY.
Yes, sir.
Thank you. Pretty good timing because I just entered.
So let's start to pull
Look at
back.
NVIDIA, Coach.
NVIDIA, what's it doing?
Screener.
NVIDIA is ripping to the upside. Thank you. I'm going to also jump on that. I like it. Try to get, okay, I'm in there now. I'm going to put a stop on NVIDIA. Okay, I'm in there. Looks like oops, I had my stop too tight on that. SPY still moving up here.
CCNC
Is doing what? What's CCN do? Okay, thank you.
going up.
Thank you.
A lot of seller pressure right now. Got a big wall at 46 on CCNC.
SPY pulling here now, dang it.
Yeah, SPXU put the same thing, the second candle, and then it just started.
Yep, it just pulled. Yeah, that just wiped my gains. That one pull literally pulled all my gains right there off that one move.
Yeah, the second green candle's just barely taller than the first on the 2-minute coach for SPY.
Got it, so it went flat. How's Nike looking?
It is sitting at 92.15.
Oh yeah, Nike's looking great here.
Yeah, that's ripping.
Yeah, that's looking really nice.
I was getting confidence back.
Thank you. I'm checking SPY on the 2-minute here. I mean, on the 2-minute, it's still green, so.
Yeah, that's what I saw too.
Yep, I mean, it's still there.
So pulling back.
Just wouldn't be super heavy here, but I mean, it definitely looks like it wants to go green. CCNC, holy crap, what is that doing? That pulled back hard.
Tesla fixing rip again, coach.
Yep, I see it. I would wait on Tesla above 243.32, just like SPY now. We want to wait above that 377.05 for a long. There was a lot of buyers here on SPY, but it looks like it could be going sideways for a minute.
Hey, Coach, I'm here.
Yes.
So, quick question on the SPY options today. What influences the premiums to raise on a day like this?
All the Greeks.
So, is there anything specific to like yesterday I had a pretty good day trading options things again for the strategies you've been teaching, but I noticed the price range for right out of the money was ranging closer to 1 to 2.
Yeah, it's because of the way they move, and we'll get more into that after the heavy trading period. After 10 o'clock is the best time for questions because everyone should be super heavy trading it.
Yesterday were 0-day options and today is 1-day options.
Correct. So yeah, great call. So yeah, they're already going to cost you more because they're longer.
And
Yep.
IV's probably higher too.
Yep. Tesla here starting to move back to the upside. Yeah, I like Tesla here on a call.
Hey, Coach.
Go ahead.
I just have a quick question regarding options. Would you ever average into a call position?
No.
Okay, thanks.
Yep.
Coach, interestingly, on TQQQ, there was actually a small green candle just before the first candle of the SPY first green. And the second candle of TQQQ was the first of SPY's first green on the 2-minute, both on the 2-minute. I jumped in on the second on
Damn it.
TQQQs, and it's been pretty good.
All right, good deal.
But interesting that it was before.
Right.
Nike's pulling.
Yep, looks like everything's starting to pull here. Like I said, if you're a new trader, you are not trading between 9:30 and 10 o'clock. You will get destroyed. You want to wait till the market gives us indication of what it wants to do. Notice Tesla and everything is just chopping in the middle here now. We're gonna have to wait and be patient and see what this wants to do. So while it's doing that, let me see if there's anything that's been slowly moving to the upside for all of my penny scalpers. That would be beat. Beat is the one you're looking for. So beat is gonna be one that that you can be in and out of. Use your stops.
I'm just pushing to the upside also.
Comms, okay, thank you.
Peggy as well.
Rev B
Fine,
is
that's
also
all
the
good.
same. Just checking for high volume because that'll really help.
There's SPY to the upside now.
Thank you. Yep, I see it going with Tesla.
I think he's moving with it.
Yep, there goes SPY now. Just scalping SPY here.
Coach, what is a scalp?
What? Brady, what is wrong with you? Brady,
Oh, look, Brady updated his picture. That's awesome, Brady. Look at you, man.
Brady, I'm just gonna slap you. What is wrong with you? You did that right when I'm buying like 100 contracts of SPY too.
Which when you get so look at Brady's Zoom picture, he updated it. He's the monster.
Oh boy. Here we go. I've created a monster. We've got a Frankenstein situation going on. Wow, we have 374 members in our Zoom. That is so awesome. We're almost at 400 people we're training live. Love it.
Wonder where that is, Coach.
I don't know.
That Jimmy guy is talking on CNBC right now.
Oh, very nice. He's giving us all the finger. He's wearing a Jimmy shirt.
Kramer, not Jimmy and our.
Oh, I thought our Jimmy was on there. I just assumed it was our Jimmy. Yeah.
I thought you were saying me.
Yeah, I thought our Jimmy made it on there.
Spies moving to the upside. I think it's the name Jimmy, right? Isn't that? I don't really watch it.
Jim Kramer.
Jim Kramer. He said Jimmy.
Oh yeah.
Brady knows him on a first name basis. I'm just scalping the hell out of SPY here. Now I'm up 460. So anybody in the SPY on 2 minute? Because if you got in on the 2 minute, it hasn't stopped, right? Where's Kelly at? Kelly.
I'm in.
About 12.15%.
Kelly, where are you at?
I got in on TQQQ just one call. I'm up 44%.
Nice. Well, I remember.
Having tea, Coach.
Well, I remember yesterday Kelly and I were having a discussion about that 2 minute we were going to be running together with, right?
I told everybody in the pre-Zoom, I was like, I'm going to just do 2 minute today and just play it.
Yeah, and how's that working out so far? It's probably great.
I had to have 49%, 50%.
There you go, right?
And it's only one, but it's all I need right now.
No, that's what I mean. That one could be a monster, right?
It's already $28.
Yeah, that's awesome.
COMS to the upside.
Thank you. And don't you see how that's such a better, easier trade came to you way instead of risking it?
Yes, sir.
Good for you, man.
Look at this COMS to break 80 before we touch it.
Tried scalping a couple of small ones yesterday, and that wasn't successful. So I'm liking this better. I like the 2 minute.
Good.
Mara's up.
Thank you. Yeah, everything should be up. Remember, Bitcoin follows SPY, and everything else, of course, will follow Bitcoin with it.
Does SPY have a wall at 378 because it's a natural?
I think it does, yes. And that's why it's sideways, but that's okay. Look at Tesla. Ooh. Somebody in Tesla?
Yes, sir.
That bad boy's letting a hammer go. Yep. You what?
FFIE is making a nice run up.
Okay, thank you. FFIE is making a move to the upside. Who's been in SPY since 2 minute? You are getting paid.
Oh my god, $200 up.
Nice.
Me too.
Hell yes.
And TQQQ.
Yep, TQQQ, absolutely. Nice work, everyone. It's almost like we know what we're doing in here. Love it, love it. Where's Kelly at? Kelly, you better be in here, man. We trained on this all day yesterday. You're missing money.
Twitter's dropping.
Yeah, what's Twitter at?
It is 50.65 currently.
Wow. I bet Jimmy's glad he got out of that.
Could be that renegotiation that Elon's doing right now.
Well, yeah, and they're talking about banks are backing out and all sorts of crap. If only there was one man that would have told Jimmy to get out of there.
Talk me off the ledge.
The lawsuit against him is part of the deal.
Is it 2 minute on SPY still green?
2 minute spies, it's gotta be green. Who's looking at the 2 minute on SPY? It's still green, right?
It is green.
Yeah, yep.
Okay, awesome.
Yeah, cause who got in it right away? You should be up what, over like close to 100%? Ooh, there's a big pullback.
Sold right before the pullback.
Nice. Use those stops, right? Keep scooting the stops. Otherwise, remember, because you're probably so green that this doesn't even affect you yet. Right? Because it has to breathe. It's above VWAP, right?
That summer's gone.
Yes.
Why are all these mics open? What's wrong with you people? Mute your damn microphones.
What do you mean, you people?
You're now we're at 380 people in here. That's going to be sweet when we break 400. We've never had over 400 in our training class. That's awesome. Very cool.
The nice thing is a lot of mics are muted.
Oh, I know, right? It's a miracle. It's a Christmas miracle.
The learning curve.
It is.
I'm not holding my breath.
When you have time.
Tesla's going flat on the 2 minute, coach.
Yep, I see it. So is SPY. It's okay though. You should still be in the green. It's still above VWAP. We talked about this yesterday, remember?
Coach, I made my daily goal. I'm done.
Nice. 946. Made the goal, done for the day.
And I'm not going to repeat what happened yesterday.
Nice, Josh. That's what I'm talking about. Great job.
Thank you.
Post those profits and you're done.
Yep. All right. Good luck today, guys.
Thank you, man.
Back in around lunchtime.
Yeah. Thank you. Good job.
All right. Thank you.
Wise, where are you at? I see you lurking, Wise. Talk to me. Wise, there you are. I see you.
Yeah, I'm here.
I'm watching you. You're not going in heavy today. We're still going in small, collecting profits, right?
Yeah, I'm doing little dingers. I'm not even really.
Okay. I want you staying on that plan we talked about.
Yeah.
Don't you go rogue on me because you've been green every day. You hear me?
Yeah.
I know you, man. You're gonna be over there going on your own in a minute.
No, I was the TD Ameritrade. I think I mentioned they had merged with Schwab or something. And
Yeah.
the account got reduced.
Gotcha.
And now they won't give me back the full account.
Oh wow. Okay. All right.
Yeah.
All right. I'm keeping an eye on you. You're under my protective wing. I told you I'd be watching you.
I appreciate it.
All right.
No, I'm just doing little dinky stuff.
Okay. We want green days.
Yes.
All right. So looks like Stab's making a nice move to the upside. STAB. Nice moves here to the upside on STAB. If you want to take a stab in your simulators, it's a nice stair stepper. It's holding above VWAP. SPY's pulling to VWAP right now. SPY's pulling.
Nike's below V1.
Thank you. Let's see if it's going to hold. Is this going to bounce or is SPY going to pull?
It already bounced once.
Brady said, what scalping? What the hell?
That's when you lose your hair.
Oh my gosh, right? He does it a couple more times. The last three I have up here will fall out.
Coach, does TikTok see the back of your head or the front of your head?
They see the back, but it probably looks the same. It's just a bald spot now.
You need to put one of your American Dream trading hats on.
Yeah, I thought about it actually. It would be great if one of my American Dream trading hats would show up, since I ordered it on day one and they still haven't. I still haven't. Everybody else is getting theirs and I'm not getting mine.
Coach, I think some people are in video, right? I think it's up.
Oh, is it?
This morning. I think so.
Oh, nice.
It's what it's on the news.
Oh yeah, good.
Hey,
Yeah.
Coach,
Yes.
good call out on Stab. I got 10,000 shares
Ooh.
and scalped it for a penny.
Ooh, I like the way you're rolling over there.
Well,
That's nice.
I got 500 on beat.
Yeah, that's
See it
good.
pull back right at the open.
Yeah. YouTube is
Study.
down and TikTok is laggy. YouTube is everybody okay on YouTube? Everybody all right on TikTok? You guys seeing everything okay? Baldy locks. Is everybody all right? You guys can see everything okay? Tap those screens. Let me know you can see everything okay. We're in heavy trading right now, so I can't talk to you obviously this second, but YouTube's good. Thank you, contractors.
4,400.
Yes, Paula says, thank you, Paula. Appreciate you. What about over here at Coach CWC? Everything look okay? Are we good? Good, thank you. Thank you to my new subscribers over on Coach CWC. I'll check it out. All right, awesome. Thank you, Jim. I'll be with you guys in just a moment. We want to get some trades going. Yes. Stab still to the upside. Nice on Stab, man. That's up 95%. That's up over 10% since the call out. SPY looks like it wants to pull here. It's sitting right on VWAP. I don't know, but I see buying pressure to the upside. But I'm telling you, that's a dangerous spot. So right here as a trader, right here's where you wait. This isn't the moment where you're like, I go ham on it, right? You can see what happened is that the buying pressure is letting off, right? You see how it's pulling down here? It's just the crazy thing is on the 1 minute candles, you can see that buyers are coming up from underneath, but I don't trust it sitting on VWAP. So this is one of those moments if you're a scalper, when you're like, I'll give it a second. Tesla's starting to move back to the upside, so SPY's going to start to move. There it goes.
There.
Yep, Tesla's starting to move back to the upside. What does Tesla look like on the 2 minute, by the way? Oh yeah, Tesla's been up all day. Has anybody been in Tesla since the start? Tesla's been up all day.
I'm just sitting on the bench for another 10 minutes.
Gotcha.
You told me not to get in yet.
Nope. You want to be safe, right?
I'm just kidding with you.
Oh, you meant just no, not on the 2 minute. Holy crap, the 2 minute's been great.
Nvidia's going to the upside.
Thank you.
No, I mean, as an early trader, you said don't.
Oh yeah, I got you. Yeah,
I was just busting your butt.
I got you, man. Why you guys busting my? I almost said the balls.
Chops. I almost.
I know, and I was like, why can't I say it? I can say whatever the hell I want. Cancel.
Yeah.
Cancel. It's a family show. Oh, that just sold off on my Tesla. Starting to chop here. We're at 384 participants inside of Zoom now.
Is there a way to change the order of your recently viewed stocks without just deleting one and then looking at it again to put it to the top?
You talking about the chart?
Yeah, on your watch list.
Oh, yeah, you can create a new watch list. You see this?
Yeah, if it's Weeble, you can drag and drop them.
I wish there was a way to get rid of my not my watch list, recently viewed. It's always defaulting to that. And it's like, I don't care about what I recently viewed. I want to see my watch list.
Make sure, change it to the one you want and then save, because it'll always default to what you, yep, save the customized layout, yep.
Oh, the close position in the order entry doesn't pop up. Do you know what option is not checked in the settings?
Hold on one sec. I'm sorry, what was the question?
When in the position, when you go to close position and close in order entry, that box doesn't pop up. You know what settings?
The box doesn't pop up? Okay, so you're doing this, close position,
Yeah.
and then what?
Yes, when you hit order entry, nothing pops up.
Oh, it's popping up behind one of your charts. Take one of your charts, move it. It's behind it.
Behind?
Yep.
Okay.
And then grab it and put it where you can see it.
Alright, I'll check that.
Yep. And then if that doesn't work, close the whole thing out. Hit the X up here, and then reload the whole workspace.
Let me see that again.
Do this. Hit X, close the workspace like that, relaunch the workspace.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
I'll try it.
Because a lot of times what will happen is if you've been trading for a long time, like the box keeps moving and moving and moving and moving and moving, and eventually like it won't even show up anymore.
Man, I tried all night last night.
Yeah, every,
Spy coach.
yep, I see it. Every day, just so you know, I always refresh my Weeble every single day before I trade. I always check for updates. I always refresh it.
How do you refresh it?
You just close it just like I showed you.
You are correct. You was behind one of the charts.
Okay, you're welcome.
So refresh.
What was that noise? Somebody just died.
I did a Tesla call instead of SPY by accident.
Somebody literally died in here. They were
Yeah.
gasping for air.
Yeah, that was me.
Oh.
I was in Tesla instead of SPY. They just
Don't feel bad. I did a put instead of a call by mistake.
Oh my god.
Honestly, it's looking really good on the 2 minute.
You gotta be kidding me. And of course it's fooling.
It's alright. Make sure you keep your mics muted.
Thank God for stop loss.
We don't need to hear your cries of agony. Change the plan, fix it, get out of it, reverse it.
Log in at 10:30.
Check out MOTS and OTS.
Thank you. Yep, MOTS MOTS is looking great. Great call out. That's what we want.
FNTI, hold it up.
Thank you. 747. Oh crap, sitting in it. Stop. 269, sure.
Which one is halted, guys?
SNTI halted. It will unhalt at 10 o'clock and 21 seconds. Is that halted to the upside?
Yes, it did.
Okay, thank you. Yeah, so just remember, A, we never call out a halt to the downside because we don't care about it. And B, if you call it out, just say, the ticker halted to the upside. That's perfect. That way we all know right away. Waiting for MOTS to pop. MOTS. Had a lot of movement in here. And then I said it, the seller stepped in. Who's sniping our channel? Which one?
STAB.
STAB, okay.
Spies pulling.
Spy's pulling really hard.
Tesla below, below.
There goes Spy on the yank. Flip into puts. How's the 2 minute look, everyone, on the Spy?
It's still green at the moment.
Thank you. Let us know, yeah, when it gets to the 1, if anybody's watching it.
I got it.
Thank you.
That is all I do anymore. I used to love trading stocks, new high a day. I only live in the 2 minute world.
Good. Then let us know the second you see the first green candle so we know when to start prepping.
Right.
They're all pulling back up. I have off the top 5 on there plus Spy, and I've noticed that 2 of them get going in that direction before Spy does. But they're all pulling back up.
Thank you.
First green for TQQQ.
First green 2 minute TQQQ. Thank you. Spy's got to be close.
Yeah, the green candles are the last green candle is the smallest one since the beginning.
Okay.
So if it continues, obviously it'll.
Okay, thank you.
That.
Yeah, that's still pulling. Whoa, look at that monster pull on SPY. Whoa. Hello, Betty. Wow. Huge pull. How's the 2 minute looking on SPY?
Still green.
How in the hell is that still green?
Right.
45 seconds for the next 2 minutes.
All right.
This one's gotta be red.
Yeah, there's no way that thing's still green. Look at it. I mean, SPY is now flipped from green to red. Who's on cash secure puts? If anybody's writing cash secure puts, remember we're watching on these red days to write those contracts.
Yep, I wrote yesterday, coach.
Smart.
And I'm still on green. Thank you.
Yep, nice work. Remember, we buy them back, right? When they go up, we sell them again, we write them again when they go back down, over and over and over.
Yep, that's the plan. This morning I sold like Tesla, so
See?
I'm buying back.
That was perfect, right? You're almost, it's almost like you're,
We have our first red SPY candle, 2 minutes.
thank you. It's almost like you're scalping cash secured put options, right?
Yep, with free risk. No
Yeah,
risk.
exactly. Isn't that great?
Yep.
Coach, the green, the red channel on SPY.
Thank
change
you.
Very slowly.
Still a little buying pressure though, no?
Yes.
SNTI open.
SNTI opened. Is it opening to the upside?
Yes.
Yes.
Crap, I'm late. Dang it. We're gonna have, we'll have to set,
That's my settled funds. I made 150 in Robinhood and 150 in Weeble.
Tesla, coach, Tesla.
yep, I see it. I shifted over to SNTI, damn it. Yeah, we're gonna have to set some timers up in here so we know when things on break.
SPY still pulling.
Mats is doing what?
Getting ready to take out high of the day again.
Thank you.
Need to see it break 280.
There's a ton of SNTI up on the top. See the top, push it back down.
First red on 2 minute Tesla, coach.
Got it, thank you. Everybody, first 2 minute red on Tesla.
And we're 30 seconds away from the next candle for SPY. The first one is red.
Thank
Second
you.
one is red.
Ooh.
Nice, nice. Break. Break off some real nice.
Coach, to buy in on options, does your limit price have to match the current price?
You might want to ask that question after this trade. We're all making $1 million right now.
Copy that.
Second red, second red.
Nice, thank you. Second red now on Tesla, or was that SPY?
Both.
Both, thank you. Second red now on SPY and Tesla.
Fighting Tesla.
Where is Kelly at?
Second red on TQQQ.
Yep, yep. And remember, TQQQ is going to follow SPY. So anytime you hear us say SPY 2 minute, TQQ will be almost, or TQQQ will almost be exactly the same time.
Kelly is riding a donkey.
Kelly, are you in here?
I'm riding a donkey.
Have you been doing the 2 minute we talked about?
I am.
And how is that working out? You having a better trading day?
Yes. Sticking to the plan.
Okay, that's what I wanted to hear. I've been calling out for you this morning. Did you sleep in on me?
No, I've been listening. But
Okay.
I didn't want to talk because it wasn't 10 o'clock yet.
Okay. Oh yeah. Oh okay. I like the way you're thinking.
The top 5 at SPY are fighting support right now.
Yep, yep. I waited for SPY to breathe before I got more puts. Did you see what I was doing there?
Wait for it to go up a little bit.
Yep. And then I didn't pay such a huge premium from this big giant yank, right?
Oh, is that what you do?
Yes.
I always pay top dollar, I swear.
Nope, that's,
Get into it.
yeah, that's what I call breathing, right?
I always always pick mid-price and then back it off 2 pennies and wait for the spike.
Yeah, to come back to it. Yeah, that's same type of principle. Yep, but I let it breathe. Yep. So now here we are. Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 candles deep. Right. Remember what I was telling Brady about 6 or 7 candles on it, and it changes, right? You had 7 red in a row to the downside, so then it went flat. So that's when Brady went, I'm not buying 1,000 contracts on a put at this exact moment because it could halt. And it does. So that's why.
I'm going to try to cap it on the upswing since October's supposed to be green.
Well, it's usually not till like the second week. It's when earnings starts coming out.
Yeah, I've noticed that. Like it's like around between the 7th and the 14th.
Yes.
A 2-week period.
Yeah, as soon as earnings starts rolling out is when it will start to push, supposed to start pushing the prices to the upside.
BHM halted to the upside.
Which one?
BHM.
I don't even see it in mine. Thank you. Yeah, I don't even see it listed.
Homes.
Yeah, I don't. That's weird. I don't have a time because I don't see it halted on Benzinga yet. See how I'm waiting on SPY? As soon as I see SPY start to pull back down to this 374.73, then I'm going to hammer it. It's doing it now. You see it? Now I'm in. Does everybody see that entry? And now I'm out. There's $80. Do you see it? Just like that. Bang, 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 bang.
Oh wow, that was great.
Right?
Fiber pulling down super hard.
But that's how you don't pay those super high prices. Now everybody else that's like, hey, I only bought a couple or whatever, you're still in it, right? It's still green, it's still doing its thing. You're moving your stop, you're changing your stop price. Make sure your stop is, above what you paid for it. And remember, there's a huge range with options.
Yeah, that was actually kind of crazy to see. I was up right away, then it was down 75, and now I'm up 50 again.
Oh yeah, options are crazy. And there it is, breathing up to the upside. Look at all the buying pressure. See the long wick to the upside? There's the breath. We're waiting. You don't ever want to buy on big drastic moves. You want to buy it when it's flat. Like right now.
I buy the strike price of 180.
Right there. Bang, I'm in the green. There's $30. Did everybody catch that?
$2.
Did you catch it?
So usually the minimum price.
You gotta meet people?
Yeah, I did. But did you see that?
Yeah, no, that looked good.
Yep, I wait till it comes up. It goes flat. I buy, pulls, boom, collect profit. See ya. Do it again and again and again.
Coach, mine is telling me that I have to do a limit order on TQQQ.
You might have to because of volatility, correct?
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Yeah, BHM halted $6.35 up.
I do not have BHM on anything. What is going on? BHM, I have no timers on that. Was there any news?
Yeah,
Let me check too. BHM, because if it's something big, I'm going to hammer that thing. Oh, wait a minute. Here it is. Blue Rock Homes Trust launches a family rental REIT. Ooh. That's nice. Spinoff. This is a spinoff REIT. Yeah, that's going to bang.
KITT.
Is doing what?
It's halted on the upside.
Unhalted?
Halted.
Oh, gotcha. Okay, thank you. Yeah, I was gonna say we didn't even know it halted. There goes BHM right now. BHM.
Monsters dead to me below you are.
BHM.
Coach, yesterday we were talking about lotto plays, so I did 3 contracts of a 361 put for tomorrow. I bought it at 22 cents. It's at 24, but
Nice.
I'll probably leave it for tomorrow.
Nice. SPY on the big yank. Anybody in that SPY yank?
Oh yeah.
I swear I walked away for 1 second. I walked away for 1 second and it just pulls. I'll take $60 for it. Do that all day.
Twice on Thursday.
That's right. And what do you know? It's Thursday. Spy still pulling. Who's in that 2 minute on Spy?
I'm gonna try the 2 minute.
Nice.
SNTI broke new high of day.
Nice, thank you.
30 hours, Coach. I entered twice, both of the breedbacks. I'm still making money.
Great job, Mitch. Kelly should be printing too. Kelly's like, I'm loving life. This is a brand new bag.
243.
Woo! Let's go.
1/10 of you because I've got one, but I'm good. $28.
Nice.
We got support at the whole dollar, 374.
Coach, I have a question, just real quick.
Go ahead.
Maybe for somebody that has Thinkorswim. So I got in on that KITT at 665. It's at 691. That's where it halted. But I had to stop at 690. When it unhalts, does anybody know if that disappears, or will it?
You won't know until it happens.
Okay.
Yeah.
You never know until it happens, yeah, ever.
Yeah, I was gonna move it, but I said, nah, let me hold on. Let me
No,
just-
don't touch it. Yeah, you touch it, you get burned.
Okay, thanks.
Yep. Spy 2 minute. Where are my holders of 2 minute? And did you buy it at on the second candle on 2 minute when it flipped? Did you buy it at that
Yeah.
exact moment?
I got in, but I just got stopped out. I wanted my money.
Okay.
Yeah, and I got in a little early. I'm doing great.
Yeah, what's the percentage? That's what I was wanting to know.
AMB.
I also, like Carter, I anticipated it too.
Good. And what's the percentage you're up?
I'm up 53%.
Perfect. That's what I wanted to know. Okay.
Give me 1 second. I'll give you my percentage.
Okay, so yeah, you should.
I'm up 1% on my account today.
Oh, nice.
46.12.
Perfect.
I
got-
today, right?
I got in SPY and Tesla calls this morning, and they went the wrong way, so I just bought the exact same thing on puts. So I'm
Good.
breaking even.
Good. Oops, sorry, I didn't mean to cut you off. There was too many mics open. Make sure your mics are closed when you're not talking.
AMB high of day.
AMB, does it look good? Is it worth anybody looking at?
Not yet.
Then we don't need it.
Just pulled back.
Yep, forget it. It's trash.
KITT on halt.
KITT will unhalt at 10, 12, and 13 seconds.
Does anybody know on Ameritrade where you can find that information? Because I always try to look for that, and never find it.
Nope. I don't think they have it.
It's AITT.
K is in.
Oh, I just missed that put. Oh, did anybody get in that SPY put? Who's in there?
Still in.
Woo! Yes! Yes! Nailing it! Hell yeah! That's beautiful! That is textbook. Kelly right now is making $1 million.
NVIDIA, the second 2 minutes,
To the upside?
downside.
Oh, okay, thank you. Yeah, look at the 2 minute, Kelly.
If the SPY cracks 374, y'all, this thing is gone.
Kelly, can you see the SPY?
That's all I'm playing right now.
See the 2 minute?
Yep.
It worked both ends at the open and now. Do you see the difference? We talked about this for a long time yesterday. This is why I keep asking you, because this is the move, right?
Yeah.
But do you see how you can be patient, you can let the trade come to you, you can let it roll, just put your stop in and let it work its magic, right?
Hey, Coach, good morning.
Good morning.
SPXU 35-cent trading stop be good or something tighter?
I'm not sure because I'm not looking at SPXU. Look at the candle lengths and then it'll help you determine where it's at. Just look at the moves, like how big of a move is it making or not, right?
Up 20 cents.
Yeah, he's gonna SPY.
Did you say about 20 cents?
Yes, sir.
Try that, KB Brar, 20 cents.
10-4.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome.
Hey, Coach, the
could we see a reversal on SPY today since it's already 10?
Absolutely. Remember yesterday, right? It pulled and then it did a complete cup. So all my lotto players, right? This is when you were able to buy a call for like $6 that went up 2,000% yesterday, right?
Puts and NVIDIA.
Puts on NVIDIA. I like the way you're rolling.
Nike to the downside, below VWAP.
I like NVIDIA if you want a slower mover, by the way, because it doesn't jerk like that, right?
Yeah, I can drive and trade same time.
Yes, NVIDIA is better for that because it's a slower mover.
8% today.
Nice job. 8% on your entire portfolio?
Yeah.
Wow. While you're working.
Driving and trading.
While you're working, right?
Yes, sir.
That's awesome. Making money while you're making money. That's what I'm talking about.
One eye in the fish and the other eye in the cat.
I love it. Just be safe, my friend. Thank you for what you do. You hear me?
Yes, sir. Thank you for what you do.
Absolutely.
Yes, be safe, fool.
Be safe. What's that? What's the price? 260. I'll put a stop in here at 255 and let this thing breathe on NVIDIA. Oh, it breathed too much and pulled back.
Hey, Coach, I have a quick question. I got stopped out of on the SPY.
Okay.
Should I get back in or should I wait a bit?
It's
hard for me to look at the chart. I just can't figure it out.
Well, we're waiting to see what it does now, because right now it's trying to reverse.
Okay.
Right now it's literally consolidating sideways, so hard to tell. We can see a lot of buying pressure going in, like it wants to go to the upside, but that doesn't mean anything yet.
Okay, and when you look at support and resistance, do you look at the wicks or
Yes,
do you look at the body?
the wick.
The wick. Okay,
Yep.
all right, good. Thank you.
Yep. And there goes Tesla now to the upside. But I don't bet on this yet. 2 minute has not flipped. It's still under VWAP. We don't know what it wants to do. Use your stops.
Hopefully this thing bounces off the 20 EMA on the SPY and back down.
Yeah, it's just kind of sideways here. Like I said, I don't trust this thing on a call yet. Not on a long. I just don't trust it yet. Yeah, that's that pull you wanted. See why you don't give up on those puts right away, right? Let it breathe, let it do its thing. And then, of course, if it starts to come back or eating too much of the profit that you wanted, that's when you can bail out. But otherwise, let it work.
MOTS going up again.
Thank you.
Just grab another $30.
Need MOTS to break 280.
Nice, thank you.
Coach, do you know a good website to watch the Dow Jones ticker live? Or
Probably any of the money sites. I never watch it, but I know you could watch it on any of the money sites. Okay, this is starting to move to the way up now on SPY. So be careful. If you're in those puts.
Got resistance at 35.
Yep. But now it's starting to break this trend. Just be careful. Let me move this around so we can see what we're doing here. Yeah, it's got to break this 375.37-ish.
Come on, one more pull. Just a tiny one.
There you go. There's your pull.
Thank you.
Actually show receipt.
That's right. Done. Nice. Yeah, as long as it stays below this 375.37, which is also where it touched here in a pre. Oh yeah, yeah, you're fine. So if you're still in your 2-minute puts, you're still okay, right?
Yeah.
Nice.
Yes, sir.
Nice.
Right now.
Nerve-wracking, though.
Yeah, but it is, but
I got one TQQQ. I'm good. I'm just right.
listen how much more confident you guys are, though. There's no way when you walked in here had you been able to hold on to that thing for this long, right?
Oh, I've been down. Thank you, Coach, man. It's just such a difference when that switch flipped.
That's awesome. You guys are rocking it. You guys are rock stars. We're just gonna shut this down. You don't even need me anymore. We're over. Training's over.
Yesterday's chart almost to the T.
Training's over. You guys are good. Let's shut this down. We've developed so many winners in here now.
It was funny, you left yesterday. We talked for another probably like 30, 40 minutes, and then I left, and everybody was still talking.
Yeah, no, we were in there for at least an hour and 15 minutes.
That's awesome. Yeah, I heard Brady was putting on a clinic.
He was very, very good to answer everyone's questions. He's one of the most patient people I've ever heard.
He really is.
10 minutes on market shift.
Oh, look at this. Wait a minute. We got a nice penny mover. TBLT. Now watch as soon as I say it. TBLT. TBLT is a nice mover. Those are the types you want.
Now, if I get dunked on here.
Yeah, I know it. I just said Jimmy.
Tesla big pull.
Yeah, there's the pull on it now. But TBLT, you see how it's a nice stair step all the way up. It's, oh, yeah, see, somebody is pulling on it.
Jimmy.
Yeah, see, I wasn't getting dunked on there. I was gonna wait.
Yep. But you see how it's got these nice candles?
Yeah, it's nice though. It's
Yep.
nice.
Yep. So keep an eye on that. That will be a really good one, especially to practice that the penny scalping. Spy's pulling here. Pull. Go on. Spy's stair stepping to the way down. And the second it gets close, that's gonna yank.
Talk to a real nice.
Talk to a real nice. Just a little tappy tap. Somebody just tap it over the edge. Tappy tap. Spy, don't you want to go to your home?
Hey, brother.
Come on.
You see Tesla?
No, what's Tesla doing?
Yanking hard.
Is it? Wow. Oh, it is. Wow.
Oh, wow.
Jeez.
Yeah, that's
Yeah, that is insane pulls.
Bob, the price is wrong, bitch.
Look at Tesla pulling. Oh my gosh. Stop asking the stupid question about the 3-cent thing. You idiot.
I must break you.
Must break you.
That was like a perfect scalp on Tesla. That was amazing.
Yeah.
Pressure moving in.
Yeah, I see it.
Brady, were you in that spy pullback?
Yeah, I was.
Nice.
Brady's in all those moves.
Every move.
Every move.
About 30
Every move you make. Brady's got a whole team now. There's like 80 people in the Brady division that are in those
Brady
moves.
probably is.
Brady.Inc. is always in those moves.
Brady is spy.
It's like the Brady.
Yeah, I typically only watch Spy, but when you guys call that
Tesla.
that Tesla
Yeah.
foot, I just went over there and
Hammered it.
matter of a second. So I was in and out, and it was a 7K probably.
Wow, that's awesome.
Good job, Brady.
That's amazing, bro.
Nice. Thank you again for yesterday, Brady.
Oh yeah, man. I'm
Yeah, it was great for
I'm
everybody.
learning. We're all in this together.
That's right. Yeah, thanks, Brady. That's cool as hell.
I've got a second screen that's lagging way behind on my main large.
Cancel.
Refresh, X out.
Yeah, unless you got a fast enough PC, I wouldn't run multiple. You're always gonna have a little bit of delay if you're running the same thing. I tried that and I ran into a delay. It's
Yeah.
like, even like a 1 or 2 second delay was monumental. So I was like, not forget it.
Yeah, I'm running
Coach.
the most beefiest system you can literally buy to make sure I don't get that lag. Yeah, I heard. Hey, coach, go ahead.
Hey, when you when I'm shorting it, do I join an axe or just like sell market?
What? I'm sorry. What's the question?
Like when I'm getting in to this drop right here for the short, I usually hit sell market and like buy market to get out. Is that not what I want to do?
Well, remember, market, you get less. So if you can do it at limit, you want to. But if you're just trying to get out, market.
Okay.
Yep.
Coach, can I ask a quick question?
Go ahead.
I noticed that 2 different charts for the same ticker had different EWO. One didn't have extended hours clicked on, and when I clicked that, of course, they matched up.
Yep.
During the day, though, does that make a big difference in your EWO having extended hours up?
Yeah, I always have it up.
Average?
Yeah, you always have it up. Yep. But it shouldn't
Always
affect
have
it.
extended hours.
It shouldn't even affect it. But yeah, you got to have it up.
I was looking at beat, and it was a major difference.
Oh, is it? Yeah, I don't know. I've never used it without extended hours because you should always have it on as a reference.
Okay, try and use your 2 minute.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Yep.
Hey, Coach.
Going up. Mott's needs to break 280. Mott's needs to break 280.
Okay.
It did.
Hey, Coach, HLD going up?
HLD. Thank you. Let me look at it. Must be. Are you sure that's the right? What's the ticker? It can't be HLD, right? Hello?
Screen must be full.
Biohaven Pharmaceutical?
I'm sorry, did anybody catch that? What was the ticker?
Bio,
I think
hang
it's
on.
BHBN.
I'm not sure.
It said BLD or BID. It's for Biohaven Pharmaceutical.
Not sure. Is it amazing? Should we all be looking at it?
No.
Okay.
No.
Nope, don't look at it. It's trash. Flush it. Flush it right in the toilet ASAP.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hey, Coach, I came
yeah.
on here a few days ago and was asking if Brady could give the information to me about what he did to learn, like what like YouTubes or books or whatever. And a garbage truck came through and knocked down all of our internet. So I've been out of internet since I asked that question.
Oh wow.
Nice.
Yeah. So
If he's not in a trade, sure. If he's not in a trade, you missed yesterday. He put on an hour clinic.
Perfect.
Oh, of course he did.
A full hour after hours. He put on a clinic to instruct everybody on what's going on.
I can tell you what he said was get coaches training out of the training.
Yep, I'm sure.
And that's where he started. That's what he studied the most, and that's what he suggested yesterday.
There you go. There's your hour summed up.
I'm already on that step.
All right.
I would think coaches balls on, but I don't want to say balls.
Don't worry, I accidentally said it earlier. I think we're already canceled. Canceled.
Cancel.
Cancel.
Hey, Coach, are you recording this entire session?
Yes.
Somebody else? Okay.
Yep.
My turn.
It probably will crash at the end. Uh-oh. Oh boy. Oh boy.
Every 5 minutes.
It's always the new people. Did I do what yesterday?
Did you record what Brady was saying yesterday by chance?
No, that was after hours. I wasn't even here.
Okay. All right.
I have it if you want for $700.
Yeah, I heard he said nice things though, so check's in the mail, Brady, thanks.
Coach, what time is your walk today?
What time is my walk?
Yeah, don't you have a breast cancer walk?
No, that's Saturday.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Oh, I thought you said it was today.
No.
I thought you said today too.
Yeah, sorry about that. No, I was yeah, the link was given to me this morning, like, hey, here you go. Like, okay.
Oh, gotcha.
Yeah, like great planning on our part.
Coach, disclaimer maybe?
Sure, after I get out of this trade.
Hey, it's going. It broke. 374.
Yep, I see it. I'm watching Tesla here. I want Tesla to break because I'm holding 50 contracts. That's been going up and down like $3,000.
It's fixing to puke its guts.
I hope so. Because if not, it's going to cost me like a used vehicle to be in this entry. It's literally been teetering about down $3,000 on it. But that is because it's been pulling the whole time, so I didn't abandon ship on a loss, because look at it. This is where that patience part kicks in, right?
And coach, the guidance you gave me yesterday, I'm playing with $1 delta right now.
Oh,
not,
good.
50 cent delta.
Yeah, good.
Yeah, SPXU is my put and TQQ is my call.
Oh, good. Is that working out better?
Well, 1 delta and yeah.
Yeah, that's good. That's real good. Good job. Good job.
I think Joe's
Joe Friday, you got a question? You want to know what to do with all the money you're making? Go ahead.
Yeah, I'm not doing so good. Question for you. I moved over some Tesla accounts from other brokerage, but it kind of screws me up during the day because it keeps going up and down and I can't see what my trades are doing. Is there a way to put a long term on a back burner so you don't see it every day?
A long term on the back burner so you don't see it every day.
I get it. So, yeah, in his position, he has one position that he's holding for 6 months, 8 months. That profit and loss changes daily. And then when you look at like your tab up there, the DTPB or whatever that is.
No, you can't separate it if that's what you mean. No, you can't hide it. No, you can't just hide it. It's gonna be in your face all day, every day.
Yeah, that really hurts because it's Tesla and it's killing.
Yeah. No, it'll sit there all day, every day. Yep.
Your day's realized profit loss is the actuality of the trades that you make. So when you pull that tab down, right, your account tab, whatever your day's realized profit and loss is actually the trades that you make. Your open profit and loss is what your your position is sitting there doing, and then the day's P&L is similar to that. So, but your realized profit and loss is what you made.
Yeah, there's no way to hide it.
Yeah.
Close your right eye.
Yeah, you just close your right eye.
I'm just trying to figure a way to track what I'm doing today without.
Put some duct tape over it on your display.
I went on a different broker.
White out.
White out.
Yeah, I mean the difference really would be your realized versus your unrealized.
Oh, that's great.
Coach, SNTI has been bullish all day from open.
Wow, SNTI bullish all day long. Is it another one of those penny movers we could be using?
Yes.
SNTI, did everybody hear that? Oh, it really has too. Wow. That's beautiful. SNTI, everyone.
Joe Friday has his hand up.
We just answered his question. The resolution was put white out on his physical monitor.
Or tape his right eye.
Or duct tape over his right eye.
All kinds of options.
You hear that? We're full of all sorts of useful information this morning,
Drag
Pee
it up to the screen right there, see what happens.
Yeah, you coach.
Yeah.
Especially today, I probably took way too long, but I'm no longer an 8 or a diamond hand holder. Finally sold the rest of my GME.
Oh,
That
did
broke
you?
my heart.
Oh, I'm sorry, man. That was brutal.
Yeah, I mean, I had my opportunities to cash in, but I was holding, but now I freed up some cash. So
Oh, good for you.
yeah.
Yeah.
Now, did you flip those into options at all in case it went long, or did you just bail on it?
No, I do have some options.
Okay.
Yeah, but I pretty much closed out everything.
Gotcha. But it'll be nice having that liquid back.
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
I'm ready to make some money.
Yep. And that's why I always said too, if you're gonna hold long, a lot of times a good strategy is to just buy leaps, so you don't have as much capital being tied up in shares, right? So as long as it's like 2 years out, you still get the advantage of, in case it goes that way, and it costs you like, 30 or 40% instead of 100% for the share value. So sometimes. Yep. And then if you have the right broker, you can still write like covered calls on them and stuff if you're deeper in the money. So. Yeah, I'm still waiting for Tesla to pull here. What we need is a ball here.
Is pulling again.
Yep, I want Tesla to just yank to the middle of the earth. Been holding these contracts for a long time on this Tesla move. The overall trend of the market is obviously down. Is anybody still in 2 minutes on SPY?
I'm trading a break point. I'm up 450 in the day.
Okay, good. Anyone else still in there? 2 minute on SPY?
I'm out looking for a re-entry.
Okay.
Hey, Coach.
It's 10:30 too.
Hey, Coach.
Yep.
So I was like in 2 minute EW on SPY. So the thing is, I put a stop loss before I get the entry, but my stop loss filled up and I lost it.
Gotcha. Okay.
How you do it?
Make the stop bigger.
So should I take a stop, put a stop loss before taking the entry, or should I do a stop loss after taking the entry?
I do it after, but it's up to you, right?
I tried to move that stop. I was in profit, so I tried to move that. It was not moving.
It won't let you move it if you placed it at the time of ordering. You have to close it and redo a new one. That's a bug.
Okay, thank you.
Yep.
Looking like a possible reversal.
Yeah, I don't like this move with Tesla here, but trying to be patient still. I want to see a big yank.
Grasshopper show up at 10:30.
Well, it's 10:36. We still could see a change at some point.
But they're still showing red on the 2 minute.
Yep.
Google and Microsoft are turning up.
Nvidia's starting to make the turn up too.
It is? What about SPY? What about SPY?
SPY's running flat.
And sideways.
Still sideways? Okay, yes.
It's in the supply zone.
SPY's still down, yep. Tesla's wanting to break to the upside, damn it. I'm gonna end up eating this thing.
Hey, Coach.
Yep.
Yesterday we were training on the cup and handle. Do you see that on Twitter right now?
If only I was on that screen. Can anybody see if Twitter's formed a cup and handle? What time frame are you looking at? Because it matters.
2 minute. I'm looking at it now.
Were you talking about a 2 minute?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, looks like a cup and handle.
Okay.
It's been formed.
Excellent, thank you.
It has formed. Oh, damn it. There it goes. I don't like seeing that break in that new area. I'm going to eat this. Good thing is I didn't have to pay too much because it's been flat for so long. But yeah, see how Tesla broke this range? And then I knew it was going to go to the upside because of that. Do you see this? That's what you need to know. That's going to save you in the long run. So now we've got to move to the upside. But look how expensive that move right there would have costed me, about $6,000. No, thank you.
It's like a grain on Nvidia.
Thank you. On the 2 minute?
Oh no, it's still red.
Nope, it's still red.
Yeah, it's still red.
Yeah, it's still red. False alarm.
My bad.
You're all right.
1 minute.
You're all right.
It's turning around though.
You're getting excited.
Not that.
Ready to make some cash. You're getting excited. Yeah, it's definitely turning around. It's following SPY's starting to reverse, but let me look at SPY. Anyone still in the 2 minute on SPY?
Still in
No red.
No, it's reversing.
I'm just curious what the percentage is. Because right there was the put.
Minus 0.9592.
Google broke VWAP.
To the upside. Remember, if we don't know the rest of the story, it doesn't help. Google broke VWAP to the upside. Yep, thank you. So this is that shift. This could be the shift change. Could be. Now might be one of those chances for those nice, beautiful lotto tickets we've been talking about.
I was fixing to ask that. What would be a good lotto ticket for
I'm
me?
buying one right now.
9 o'clock.
Did you say for the week?
Yes.
Oh, that. There's only one more day left, so
For next week?
yeah. But we don't know what that lotto ticket would look like. It could be a cheap put or a cheap call. Buy one of each, and if one hits, it'll wipe out the price of the other one, and you'll be golden, right?
Smallest red candle on the SPY.
Then you got to straddle.
2 minute.
So if you're looking at next week, which is, let's see, what is next week? Say the 14th. So if you went to the 14th, you'd buy a put and a call. Just buy them cheap, right? Like $50, one on each end. And then whenever SPY swings, you'll be golden, right? And
Jimmy,
that,
what are you in today?
Sorry. I've been chasing beat around and getting my ass handed to me.
yeah, no. I got a different one for you.
I've got dropped big time.
Yeah.
SNTI. SNTI is a good Jimmy stock.
Yes, SNTI was the one, Jimmy. SNTI.
I moved into the call on the SPY.
Oh, good. SNTI, Jimmy, will be much better, okay?
Beats actually bearish. It's been
Yeah,
coming down.
Beats been getting beat down all day.
Yeah, I've been chasing it around.
Yeah, no, that's not good.
My lingering, it's like the first day that I've been.
Yeah, no, Beats not the one. It's not the droid you're looking for. You're looking for SNTI.
Kind of talking right now.
Uh-oh.
What is what?
Biden's talking right now, Brady.
Oh, all right. Where's my?
Good or bad, Brady?
Hands off the mouse.
He's saying how disappointed he is about OPEC's decision, but they're gonna
Okay.
continue monitoring the oil prices and stuff.
Oh, okay.
Saying his trip to Saudi was not about oil.
Who put that on the teleprompter?
That's not oil, that was about gas.
What in the world? Yeah. Like, what in the world just happened? My trip over there had nothing to do with the only reason that I was going there. Take that off the teleprompter.
Looking for bro.
Somebody take that off. Who put that on the teleprompter?
Amila.
Here goes
Spy.
Spy calls. That's great.
Thanks, Joe. I just took a lotto ticket on Oxy.
Oh, nice. How is Oxy today, by the way?
Started up like the rest of the market. Now it's just kind of bouncing just below VWAP.
Okay, thank you.
Hey, Coach, Microsoft just popped above VWAP going up.
Thank you. I think it's just following basically the whole trend of what everything else is doing. They did close that deal last night, Activision and Microsoft, by the way. So that is a done deal now. I was expecting it to do something amazing, but
They normally do what they say.
yep.
Yeah, it barely budged either one of those.
Yeah, it didn't do anything. I was looking for a pop of one or the other, right?
Do you think that was already factored into the price?
It could have been, because there should have been some movement. You know, and the problem is they've been talking about it so long that, you know, the news is old now.
On the ATBI, the buying stocks are $95,
Yep,
and it's only at 74 now.
yep. That's funny. That's funny. I was just gonna say, the second I bought into this SPY call, I was just gonna warn everybody after I made the move. Look how many candles to the upside that is. And I did it right at that time, and as soon as I thought about it, I went, I'm gonna be in trouble, and there it went.
Yeah, hoping the stop loss don't go.
Mm-hmm.
Hey coach, I have a quick question.
Yes.
So when I'm today as the first day I'm buying options on Webull,
Okay.
my account, just, you know, I was able to start using my account today.
Uh-huh.
So when I'm trying to close out an order, when I'm trying to close out my position and I close by stop loss / take profit, it's automatically adding in a take profit order. Is
Yep.
that a
Don't.
setting in Webull?
Yeah. Don't do it by that. Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah. Never do it by that one. Actually, close it. Go to order entry.
Okay.
And then change the order type to a stop.
Okay.
Yep, and then change order to stop and put it in that way. So that way you don't get that goofy, you know, take profit thing popping up.
Okay.
Yep.
Thanks.
You're welcome.
Which, when she buys that, she has to make sure the stop loss and take profit buttons are unchecked like yours.
Yeah, correct.
Right. Okay. I figured that was like the setting.
Yep. Actually, I need to take this off because I'm going to be scalping.
Yeah, you can go to the settings and change it so they're both off.
Right here. Yep.
Yep.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Yep. SPY sideways
Hey, Coach,
now. Yep.
From the gamer world, I know you play games too. I wonder how the Activision is gonna affect like games that had play on the PlayStation and on the Xbox.
I think it'll.
Games here too.
Yeah, I'm not sure. That's a good point, because remember when Microsoft bought out Minecraft, they stopped it being on everything else. Remember?
Yeah.
They were like,
They have to have Call of Duty these couple of years on PlayStation.
yeah, yep, because I'm sure they bought the rights for X amount of time to have it that way. But maybe what they'll do, I mean, Microsoft's smart about it, is they'll get it first, you know, like at release, and then it'll, you know, slowly roll it to other systems, if they allow
All their games will be first day on that Game Pass.
Yeah,
You
right.
buy the game, so
Right,
Game
right.
Pass, we'll get the game right off the bat.
Yeah, that Game Pass is crazy, great deal. I don't use it because all I typically play is Apex Legends, but that Game Pass and COD and that Game Pass is amazing though.
I asked about Twitter earlier. It's getting very weak.
Is it?
Yeah.
Oh wow. Yeah, that's crazy. Jimmy. But coach, you said it's gonna go to exactly 5240. I will always remember that. Love you, Jimmy. That's why I was like, no. It could go to 5240. We just now have a price on it.
Smart coach.
Yeah. Jimmy, is SNTI working better for you?
I'm just watching it right now.
Okay.
I'm frustrated. I've made some dumb mistakes this morning.
Okay, just SNTI, I think will help you out.
I'm gonna do better at concentrating today.
Okay. Yeah, beat was pretty tough. That was a hard one for you because it was bearish all day.
No, I just did some stupid things. I guess I should tell everybody. We should all tell everybody or tell each other when we do make mistakes, so we hopefully can learn from them.
Sure.
But I was watching the side of my screen, and I was watching beat, But in my purchase deal, I had FNGR, and they were similar in price about the same time. And I thought I was buying B, and I bought FNGR.
Oh, right.
And it was a large. Anyway,
Yeah.
it was a dumb mistake. And I had just gotten a phone call from an attorney. And
Oh, wow. Yeah.
anyway, so I
So,
made a mistake in not concentrating.
yeah, I see it.
It
Yeah.
wasn't a mistake, it was expensive lesson. That's how you think it.
Yeah.
Jimmy
There
got
we
the
go.
finger
You
to
are
the
lucky.
Yeah.
I instead of selling, I purchased again the stock and I lost $14,000. You are lucky. Just don't worry about it. It's happening.
Yeah. Wow.
Yeah, that's-
What was it you did? You accidentally bought something?
I'm
Finger.
supposed to be sell. I supposed to be put sell order, but I just put buy order.
Oh, wow.
Spire VWAP.
Yep.
First green candle on the video.
Thank
2
you.
minute.
Yep. Yeah. Spies crossing VWAP here. That's why I picked up these 20 calls way earlier. But yeah, Spies starting to move nicely to the upside here.
Glad that worked out, right?
Yeah, right. Now, if that can hold, that's going to have a big pop to the upside, which will bring the whole market up. There it goes. That's nice. That's what we wanted to see.
Yeah, and the calls, I mean, the options were so cheap.
Yeah, super cheap. Yeah, super cheap because they were down and sideways for so long.
Still right on the 2 minute.
Yeah, like I said earlier, remember that's when I said those lotto tickets would look real nice down there. If you got those, you're loving them.
Show first green 2 minute on spot.
Yep, I see it.
Twitter just some action.
There's the second green 2 minute on TQQQ, by the way.
Thank
I'm
you.
in that one now, and I'm up 44%.
Thank you.
Yeah, video has the second
green. Yeah.
Yeah, everything
Good
should
job.
start going to the green if it's following SPY. Stay up there, SPY. We want to see a big spike, not a pullback.
Whoever's looking at Twitter, there's a big wall at 51.45.
Thank you.
So I've been watching SNTI and it seems like it's kind of just going sideways now, right? A little in general.
Not sure. I'm checking out SPY still. I would like SPY to actually consolidate just a little bit, just sideways, not pull back, but go sideways for a little bit, and then have a nice spike to the upside.
About 4 steps to the right.
Yeah, I really would. It would help it to have a bigger explosion, because remember what happens when the snake coils, right? Big pop or big drop.
Does this look like it's forming a cup and handle? Halfway there?
All right, I need his Discord name.
I am the
I was gonna
hero
suggest that, I think it
that
already did.
everybody needs today.
Yay!
Daddy has a big gulp of Diet Mountain Dew.
Love it, thank you. That's what I'm talking about. Oh, there it goes. There goes SPY to the upside right there. Thank you, hon. Love
I
you.
knew you were
On a line
tired
in the
today.
360 mark.
Exhausted
the,
today.
calls.
I think I got 2 hours of sleep last night. All right, let's see.
Hey, coach, Dan,
Yeah, that's. Did you say green on the 2 minute on SPY?
Second green. Just about ready to flip on the EWO.
Just about to flip on the EWO. Okay, thank you.
I show the second green on the 2 minute.
Let me look. SPY 2 minute is already green. Good job. Nice call out.
And video also.
Thank you. I've got my stop in place on SPY. It can breathe and move around. Like I said, I'd like to see it breathe around here and then have a nice big spike, right?
When you say breathe around here, how many candles is she talking about on the 1 minute or 2 minute?
I'd like to, well, I mean, it's already done 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So remember it'd be 6 or 7, right? And then it's going to make a big move.
Okay.
So
Thank you.
yeah, it could be any second you're going to get a, in the next 2 minutes, you're going to get a big spike or a big pull. So that's why I've got my stop in place. If it does, I'll still make 500 on the move. If it goes to the upside though, I'll be well over 1,000. So we'll see what it does.
AMV halted up.
Thank you. AMV will unhalt at 10:56 and 23 seconds. My wife just saved my life. She just got me a big gulp, a super big gulp of Diet Mountain Dew. And amazing. She saved my life. I'm literally on no sleep. I mean, no sleep.
Man, that's love there.
Man, that's a double negative. Diet, Mountain Dew.
Oh, that's a beautiful thing right there. Oh,
Oh, big gulps, huh?
yes.
Well.
Super big gulp, baby.
What was that, Hall?
Oh, there goes the pull. There goes the pull. Be careful. Spy's pulling. That's why I've got my stop. But the good thing is because it's been consolidating. Notice on that pullback, you didn't lose an arm and a leg on the premium. Did anyone else notice that?
Yes.
That is because it's been going sideways. So now look at it. There comes the pop. Let's go. There it is. There it is. Hello. Woo! That's the move we wanted right there. Hell yes. Love it.
Here's my 300 for the day.
There it is. Nice. Nice move to the upside. Now when it pulls back a little bit, it won't hurt those premiums as much. Nice, just sold off. I made $1,000 off that. Just like that. Boom. Love it.
I'm up 22% on it so far. Let it ride.
Nice. Congratulations. Yeah, it is. Big pull. That's all right, though. This is still a great range for it. I'm going to look at loading up another set of calls. If it'll let me buy them.
Oh, it's not done.
Oh, hell no. Yeah, not at all. Just use your stops.
Anybody looking at XOM?
Nope.
I made about 100 on that yesterday. It looks like it's in the same pattern.
Oh, nice. It's good when you can identify those patterns.
MOTS.
A little bit cheap.
Hey, Coach, what, can I ask why you're buying the October 14th versus 7th or?
Oh, I didn't even realize that was. That wasn't by design. I just forgot I was looking at, remember, I was looking at lotto tickets for you guys earlier this morning, so remember I pulled way out. Those lotto tickets would have paid a lot too this morning, by the way, right when I said this would be a good time for lotto tickets. Did anybody do it? No? All right.
Not today.
Okay.
My computer crashed.
Got it.
That was a scramble from coach's
Oh, it was
training,
okay.
having backups.
I have one lotto on Tesla and one on Spot.
MOTS. Getting some buying pressure.
Missed the whole lotto thing. I know.
When does AMV gets released?
AMV unhalts at 10:56:23, so it should have already been unhalted.
Still halted.
When you mean lotto, coach, do you mean just go way into the?
Yeah, super cheap. Yeah, super cheap, far out of the money. So like this morning when SPY was pulling really hard, you could have bought like a $50 call that would now be worth probably $300-400.
Got you. Okay, that's
Yep.
what I thought you meant. I came
Yep.
in mid when you were talking about it. I was like, what is he talking about lotto tickets?
Yeah.
Is coach selling them or what?
Yeah, that's the American Dream Lotto tickets. Pick that up over in the concession stand. Set yourself up with something real nice. I'm putting a stop on all of these just because the way it's consolidating sideways. What's the rule when it consolidates really long sideways? Talk to me.
The 3 flats on the 2 minute.
What's it gonna do if something consolidates this long?
You're the pop or pull.
Yep, it's gonna be a big spike or a big pull, right?
Pop or drop.
Yep. So we're just prepared for it. That's why I keep putting those stops so tight in there. Because if it pulls, it's gonna pull really hard. But if it pops,
We're not pulling, we're popping.
There you go. Pop it like it's hot. Pop it like it's hot.
Done.
That's why I told the wife last night.
I'm gonna pop it like it's hot.
Wait to see what will happen or not really.
Yeah. I've already preemptively got into mine, and there it goes. There's a nice move. There it is. There it is. There's the move. There it is.
Oh yeah.
Bingo! Get it. How's that, everybody, huh? That's how we do right there. Goodness. Nice work, everyone. Look at that. Nailed it.
Same to you guys here.
That is beautiful.
Now 33%.
Nice.
Squeezing the stop up.
That's what I'm doing. That way, if it pulls back, I'm still gonna make around $400 on it.
I wish I would have gone 10 shares now.
Yep.
And
What happened to us early?
Still moving to the upside. Changing my stop. Looking good. There it goes. Sold off. Made $500. Nice. How'd that work out for everybody? Still moving to the upside.
I'm still in it.
Let's go, baby. Woo!
Much this information affects stocks and trades, but SpaceX just launched a crew in the.
Oh, did it? Well, that's for Tesla. Let's see what Tesla's doing.
I want my accounts to do that.
Yeah, Tesla should be popping, but that's crazy. Look at SPY. Isn't that funny? Who asked me this morning if I thought SPY could do a reversal today? Who was that? Yeah, remember? And I'm like, yeah, because look what it did yesterday. It's doing the exact same. There you go.
Looks like it's just stepping up.
Yeah, that's beautiful, man. So tell me who's been playing on the 2 minutes, because this has worked all day long. Kelly, where are you at?
I'm in a 2-minute coach.
How is it working? You've got,
Still looking good.
you had one here, you had one here, and you had one here. And every one of those have paid huge today.
I'm putting it up, coach.
Nice.
I'm 100% on all my trades because of 2 minutes.
Wow. Holy crap.
$2 today.
Oh.
2-minute calls and puts.
That is awesome. Nice.
Intel just got a 2-minute green candle.
Thank you.
AMB unhalted to the left side.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
Member, I just noticed in the news a school shooting. So I don't know if that's going to impact markets or anything, but just breaking news right now.
Okay, thank you.
Thailand or the US?
All right,
Overseas, that's over.
Tesla's approaching VWAP.
All right, who is this? Nicoletti. Nicoletti, where are you at? Here we go again. Listen, there is no Big Baby account on Discord. There is no account on my Discord with your name, okay? I need you to create a new Discord, and then I will set you up with access. But the one you have is not working. I can even see that a membership was purchased from you, and the system does not know who you are.
Coach SPY.
Thank you.
Got a little longer. It's 2,000 shares. Topped another 25 cents. That was $500.
And
That's why it's
again.
AMB halted to the upside.
Spin move.
Charge it, dog.
My German Shepherd had her ears.
Nicoletti, I need you to create a new account and go on Discord and message me, okay? And I can verify your information and get you squared away. So where are you? How's everybody doing, by the way? If you're making money on YouTube, thumbs up. Facebook, thumbs up. TikTok, Tap those screens. You should be making a ton of money, baby. Let's go. I do have 2 lives going. Yep. Hey, what's up? I see you.
Hey, Windows A and B, yum.
Chuck Dan, I got you right now. Kelly, I'm getting your brother a lifetime right now.
Oh, that's amazing. Thanks,
Mhm.
Coach.
You're welcome.
Coach AMV unhold.
There you go. He's all set. AMV on halted. Thank you.
I need to know what time.
Oh, got it. AMV on halted 11:07 and 1 second.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Are you not interested in that one, Coach?
Only because I'm doing a bunch of admin work.
All right.
Yeah, I'm doing a bunch of behind the scenes stuff. Otherwise, yeah, I'd be trading in here.
And you got more money to be made in SPY right now, Coach.
Yep, I see a big pull. SPY pull below VWAP. Anybody in there? That's pulling really hard. So now, here's the thing. If you were in that 2-minute call and you're like, I don't know when I should get out. If it pulls below VWAP, what does that mean immediately?
Get out.
Yeah, that is very bearish, right?
Yeah,
So,
Got up just as it was breaking.
yep, and if it cannot come back above that, that means it will stay down there. So now VWAP can become the resistance on the top.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
In regards to that 2-minute EWO,
Uh-huh.
with it being such a strong bear signal,
Oh.
you automatically start putting puts into SPY, or do you wait for confirmation on the 2-minute EWO?
You have to wait for confirmation, otherwise it's a no-go.
Okay.
Yep. If you're doing a 2-minute, you've got to wait for the 2-minute to tell you what to do, right?
Don't jump the gun.
Nope. Yep. Because just like this, if you do it in here, somebody could come in and buy it right up. It takes off, breaks through VWAP, and you're like, oh crap. I mean, look at the buying pressure on the 2-minute candle. You can see a big wick underneath. So there's still a lot of buyers in there.
Right, you could have scalped the put though on those 2
Yeah,
previous
yep.
candles.
Yeah,
Now-
absolutely.
Now this third candle on the 2-minute, or the last 2 on the
1,
1 minute,
2,
are
3,
starting
4,
to
5.
look a little bullish.
Well, and here's the thing. You've got 5 red candles in a row.
Yep.
See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the 1 minute, and typically they'll only go 6 or 7, and then they'll flat or reverse, right? So kind of always in the back of your head, kind of remember like when you start getting around that 6th candle, that it probably will stop in the same trend that it was going. Kelly's brother, you're all set. You got your lifetime in there. Yep. Make sure you join the Zoom channel, okay, whenever you get a chance. Good to have you here. Thanks again for recommending your sister. That's awesome. Coach, I just came in late to the stream. You trading stocks or options? Both.
Halted 11:07. Just keep in mind earlier after it halted.
Meta near breaking through VWAP to the upside. Thank you, Mark. Appreciate you over on Facebook. Thank you. Nicoletti, where are you at? I saw your lifetime membership. You paid for it. Reach out to my moderators. We want to get you going. What was it?
KRPB.
Okay. Isn't AMV coming unhalted soon?
11:07:01. It should happen already.
Yeah, it should already be done, right?
Yeah, Nicoletti guys on the Coach CWC kickoff.
Yeah, we're trying to get them access for the second time. The problem is Nicoletti keeps purchasing the membership with it's not a registered name. It's pulling up a bunch of numbers.
Been going on for weeks.
Yeah, I know. And it's like, you have to get a different Discord account because for whatever reason, the system cannot understand who you are. I see you, and I know my moderators are talking to you directly because Unhappily a Housewife has been messaging me about you. So you need to respond so we can help you.
PEGY.
Had the Bobby Wop again on SPY.
What are you trading today? We're trading a lot. What's a call and what's a put? If you're serious, A call option is we're assuming the stock is going to go up. And if we're buying a put, we assume it's going to go down. Okay, yes, I trade options. Yep. I've been trading for almost 30 years. Yep. Thank you for what you do. You're very welcome. Thank you for being here, Saved 85. Appreciate you. How many calls did you just buy for SPY? I was buying, I think 20. I was doing 50 and 100 earlier this morning though. This is your first day and you made 22% play on SPY. Awesome. Great job, Garrett. Hey, boss. Hey, what's up? Unhappily a housewife. Did the person ever reach back out to you, Nicoletti? Where are you, Nicoletti? I'm here, coach. Need to know how to cancel it. How to cancel what, Nicoletti?
What time frame?
I have no idea what's going on, Nicoletti.
Account now, coach.
I'm sorry, what's that?
He just he's trying to create a new account.
He's trying to create a new account on Discord. Okay. Yeah, just Nicoletti.
Head and shoulders on SPY.
Literally just create a new account on Discord, right?
Trying.
And then you can direct message me or reach out to any moderator on here and we'll get you set up.
Yeah, it's close to that. It looks like a middle finger. Jimmy, here you
Learned a
go.
lot about options and sessions. Awesome, Mark.
If it's always a
That's
little
good.
longer, then it'll be a head and shoulders, yeah.
Yeah, it's gonna have to consolidate for a couple more minutes.
Happy National Coaches Day. Is that today? Appreciate you, man. Made 800 on Tesla. Nice. Great job. Thanks once more, coach. You're very welcome.
No.
You got it. Thank you for being here, man. We got you. You're now under my protective wing. Thanks once more. You got it. Woohoo. Great job.
Any thoughts on Tesla? I'm gonna put right now.
That's what I'm watching.
Coach, did you say you play Apex? Yeah, dude, that's my favorite. I do play rank. I usually only get up to like platinum. I'm not that great. And now I play like 2 games a day. So as soon as work's over, I get about 2 games and then I'm done for the day. So I don't get to play much.
Or you might look at SPY.
You need as many wings as possible. Coach is the bee's knees. Thank you, August44. Appreciate you. Inherited account 30,000 in the hole. Very overwhelmed what to do. First thing I would do is don't trade any money. Stop trading KC82084. Stop trading. Don't lose any more money. Go into paper trading. Start watching your sizing. I would recommend you join my group or another one that you trust. Right?
I was so surprised when I
And try to get a mentor to help you out through that. Coach, is there an instructional video on the Discord for the 2-minute strategy? Yes, there is. That's for my paid members. Yes, join. Yes, I can help. Terrible day at the Belgium market today. Yeah, sorry about that, man. Yeah, make sure you guys are following me on all the things. Thank you for the 7.8 thousand likes on American Dream Trading and the 14.3 thousand likes over here on Coach CWC. Appreciate you guys. Yeah, you're welcome, Nicolette.
If you run that
Nicoletti, I'm going to friend you right now, okay? It says we're friends. I'm going to message you.
Spies with respect
Nicoletti.
to line.
AMV unhalted.
Let me see if I can direct message you, okay?
It's moving to the upside.
It's not letting me, Nicoletti. Are you in?
That's what she said.
It's halted again.
That thing is just blasting.
Nicoletti, work with Unhappily a Housewife and we'll get you set up, okay? Channel's been so good, it's glitching big time today, just FYI. Is American Dream Trading glitching for anyone else? On TikTok?
Yes, it's glitchy.
It is? Okay. Yeah, the only...
Fox is looking good too for a steady climber.
Let me try to turn the screen brightness down in case the phones are getting hot, because that seems to do it too. Give me 1 second.
That's a good one for Jimmy.
We'll try that. We'll try that and see if that fixes it, okay? Sometimes when the phones get overheated, it'll start to glitch out. We'll see if that helps.
It still time instead.
How
of
we
7.
doing over here on YouTube? I see we only have 2 people on YouTube. YouTube's really hit or miss.
When does AMB unhold?
Slightly, okay. Hopefully it'll
So
pick
it'll
back
probably
up.
be a longer hold time now because that's the second
Yeah, it's
time.
using a different internet service, so I
That's probably gonna
apologize.
be at least a 10-minute hold.
Yeah, I think
Seems to be worse when I come near the phone. Okay, appreciate that.
Resume at 11:17 and 36 seconds. 11:17.
All right, we'll see. I'll check back with you guys in a little bit.
Thank you.
Looks
Yeah,
like, so did AMV never unhalt?
No, it did, but then it halted. It went from 25 to 29 and halted again.
Did anybody get in it?
Guys, thank you so
I'm in
much
it.
for A and B.
I'm in it. I'm in it.
In 10 minutes.
You made $400 in AMV in 10 minutes. Great job.
Yes.
Great
Thank
job.
you so much.
You're welcome.
Or you asked about that emoji. Yes, yeah, that is that original IPO that opened about 5 quarters.
I was gonna say, I was like, don't we love IPOs, man?
We do.
Which one was it, Carter?
AMV.
AMV.
No, it didn't release. It's already released. This one's been out for a while and it's just coming back around. But this one made a really good high of like 250 when it got released.
AMV will unhalt at 11:17 and 36 seconds. Spy's pulling. Yeah, Spy 2. Checking the 2-minute on Spy. Spy's pulling hard here. Tesla's been pulling all day.
I'm waiting for that 2-minute candle in Ewo, but it's really tempting to buy equipment.
On Spy?
Yeah.
Yeah, I know. I'm waiting too. That's why I didn't jump the gun.
I did, sorry. But
I'm trying to be patient because that's what I've been telling everybody.
Right. I mean, you can scalp the candles. I mean, that's
Yeah, you
free.
can.
That's, yeah, versus the 2-minute EWO. But
Yep.
you live in a more dangerous world than I do. I like the 2-minute information. So
Yeah, the 2 minutes
strategy is,
nice.
Yeah, I can only rely on Ewo because I'm using settled cash.
right. No, I'm the same thing. I use settled cash, so I went the second confirmation. Even though yes, you could write a put down now, and then all that, but that would take X amount of settled cash if I go the wrong way or greens back up. So waiting for that 2-minute EWO, I feel I have a less risk, more confirmation of the direction,
For
and
sure.
that utilization of whatever settled funds I'm using.
Absolutely.
Yep.
In my paper trade, I set my account to 25,000, and I pretend it's about scalping, but in reality, I'm only playing with 1,500.
Right, I got you.
Yeah.
No, yeah, and that's the
Nice.
thing. Yeah, I mean, you can do it with a smaller amount. You just don't get as many trades, or but you still got to respect your risk management. And if you run out of trades, you rather run out of trades instead of open that stop loss and go lower.
But this is like a great training ground because it forces me to make fewer high quality trades instead of bouncing around.
Right.
Right, exactly. No, yeah, you're not chasing it. You're letting the trade come to you. You wait for your setup and understanding of your entry and your exit. It's almost like coach is teaching us something.
Oh, absolutely. Every minute I'm learning.
Be here all week.
Hey, Coach.
Yes.
One of our members in the chat has asked a question, maybe when you get a chance, if you can teach it. So basically, they had a stop loss on an option, it looks like. They couldn't sell, of course. They canceled their stop loss and had some challenges putting an actual stop on an option. So we get a chance to teach that if there's an option.
Okay.
AMV's unhalted.
Crap.
Say, Coach, maybe you could make videos of the option stop and stuff.
Yeah, I have all of them. All right. They're all those videos are already made. All right. AMV.
To the downside.
Oh, okay.
Blew right past my stop.
Ouch. Yeah, it's gonna get expensive then. Did it halt again?
Yeah.
Yeah, it did. Yikes. Spy, by the way. Did everybody see how Spy juked you out?
Yep.
So if you would have bought those puts, trying to early anticipate a 2-minute move, you just got burned.
I was this close to, and I heard your voice in my head, don't be a hero.
Yep, I did it too. I did the exact. I'm like, I'm gonna jump this gun, and I didn't. And look at.
Yeah, because it fell right down to the 20-day support.
Yep.
20-day MA, use that as support to bounce back up. Now,
Yep.
that top right there, that 376.07, is respecting that trend line coming down from 74 or whatever it was. Or 378.
Yep.
I purchased a put
Good bounce
and
back, yeah.
SPY went down. Even though it went down, I was losing money. Why?
So because of the premium you're paying. Sometimes you pay such a huge premium, and if it pulls even a little bit to the other end, oh, like right here's a call. So this is the crazy thing is even though this has been sideways, this has still been a call the whole time.
Yeah, for the 2-minute, yep.
Yep, it has never changed.
If he's an assistant coach.
Yeah, go ahead.
No, I was saying he could make a good assistant coach.
Oh, right, yeah. Yeah, look at that pop. That's a nice pop to the upside. Ooh, yeah, look at that.
If
Now-
you can hold it 376, right, it seems like it would break off that trend from the morning time.
Yeah, that's nice.
Hey, coach, when you get a chance, can you give me some insight on the stock?
Yep, you just want to know how to place the stop?
Yeah, well, I got in, and then started moving my stop up because it was going up, and it stopped me out like a penny below. I don't know if I should get that done or not.
On which stock?
Months.
Hold on, I get too many. On MOTS? Is anybody in MOTS?
MOCS.
Let me see what.
Trending up. I drew a trend line going up.
I wouldn't enter it right now. That's a no-go right now. Yeah, it's on a big pullback right now. You see it?
Right.
Yeah, I would wait.
It's bouncing off of the trend line I drew earlier.
Yep. I would wait till at least this 2964. Let me mute whoever's mic that is. Wait till at least 2964, and if you really want confirmation, wait till above 3, because remember 3 is the natural line, right? Natural resistance.
Yeah.
Look at my pass all over. You're welcome.
Well, drink that Mountain Dew.
I will. Just so tired. All right, let's see what we got here.
Can you check when AMV will unhold?
AMV will unhalt at 11:22 and 52 seconds. SPY to the upside here. SPY is going to have a big pop here.
I'm seeing 377.55 resistance. What are you guys seeing?
Yeah, like 376.56.
Yeah, 53 for me.
It's right at that. So, but it did break that trend line. It used the that red candle, came back down, touched that trend line support.
There it goes. There it goes.
Yep.
Oh, yeah. It's almost like I've done this before.
Right.
There you go. Look at that. I'll be here the rest of the week. Nice. Congratulations. I saw that pop coming.
Coach.
Yes.
So, can you give me the Lotto numbers for this weekend, please?
Get that 8-ball.
I got you.
Yes.
I got you. Hold on.
Just saying.
Yeah, hold on. Let me pull this thing out. Hold on.
Coach, I did it twice. I'm buying a put and it's going down, but each time I lost like $600. I'm not understanding.
I'm sorry. What's the question?
I am buying a put 2 times, and each time the stock SPY went down. Instead of me making money, I'm just losing money. And I want to check the order. It says a put in contract. And
Are you sure you're buying a put?
100%, coach. I did it like nearly 3,000 times so far.
Remember what we talked about yesterday? if you're trying to buy something when there's a strong trend,
Yeah.
you're gonna pay a high premium. So even if you buy in the money, you're gonna come out negative most likely. And then any minuscule move.
Yeah, even a penny up, yep, or flat. You're gonna eat it.
I gotta check that. Okay, thank you, guys.
Yep. Thank you, Brady.
If you don't go in before the trend happens, like if you don't already know before the trend begins, wait, it's not worth it.
It's true.
Catch up.
Make sure you're not selling the put, because when you do that, it goes the opposite way. That's why I lost a lot of money.
Hey, coach,
Yes, go ahead.
if this whole 2 minute holds, is this a double tap right there on the 2 minute?
Let me,
Tesla 2 minutes green.
no, it's not, it's not a double top here, no, it never, it's close, but it didn't quite make it. You see it?
This looks identical to mine.
It's close. Here's what I wanted to show everybody. Look at your 1 minute chart. This is for Brady too. You see the candles? Look how many green candles went to the upside here, right? So we had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then the 6th one stopped. See it? So remember, we're always looking around 6 or 7 candles because that's about the maximum typically that you'll see they'll move in one direction or the other before they'll consolidate and pull back, right? And that's up or down. Everybody see that?
Yep.
So when it starts doing all this, and you're like, hey, should I get in? And you're on the 5th candle? No.
Third green on Tesla. Tesla is too close to the VWAP.
Oh, thanks. Somebody donated to our fund walk this morning. $26 was donated anonymously. Thank you very much to whoever that was. Appreciate you. That is for a good cause for breast cancer. Thank you, thank you.
Meta's been a nice ride up.
Meta's been a good ride. Oh, Meta's been, wow. What the hell? That one snuck by all of us.
We exceeded 7. It took 7.
Holy crap. Look at Meta. META. That broke VWAP. Let me look at the 2 minute. Oh my. That's beautiful.
Cup and handle.
Whoa, look at this. Wow. I like that. I like what I see.
Didn't someone ask earlier this week about Meta?
They asked why I don't talk about it all day long.
Yeah.
So, do you like Pinterest? I've been in it for a little while.
I do. I have it long. Same with Meta. I mean, who doesn't have Meta in their portfolio? But do I talk about it all day? Nah. Look at that move. That's a nice move to the upside.
ATXG, bullish all day.
Thank you. Anybody in on Meta now? I'm going to play my disclaimer. I'll be right back.
Hey, coach.
Yes.
Why don't you take a little longer break?
I did that earlier.
Maybe try to get a little energy so you don't pass out on us.
Yeah. Oh, you're hearing me complaining to my wife. Yeah. I forget I got mics all over the place.
Get this man another Diet Coke.
He's mainlining that Mountain Dew.
Yeah.
Anyone look at Meta, we've had like 9 or 10 green ones, so there should be pulling back on this red one like it is now.
Yep.
You know.
Yeah, it's smart.
And catch it on its breath.
Smart.
Oh yeah, I caught the top of that one.
Yeah, no, you caught it at like the 176 price on the call and went to 181, you ride it out or whatever, but it's freezing back down now. It's, you know.
Listen to you guys. That's awesome.
See, you could start scheduling a break.
Yeah, no, I am gonna take a 5 minute.
Take your time, man. Take your time.
Carter, I'm gonna make you the host. I'll be right back.
Oh God. I'm leaving.
Oh my
Never mind, here we go.
Hippie,
Remember, what comes with great responsibility. Great power comes great responsibility.
Carter, don't listen to these fools. I got you, man. I got you.
Here you go. Here you go, Carter.
First thing he does is mute everyone.
If you want to join our membership, head over to
How you doing today, Carter?
www.americandreams.com. We have a limited lifetime
I
membership.
won your screen.
One-time fee of
I played a little bit this morning. I had some fun and Robinhood and Weeble, so.
Did you get in on that AMB, Carter?
I didn't know. I honestly, I was so, I was so into stocks. I wasn't looking at anything else, but I was at AMB, what's
I'm telling you, I have.
It's unhalted in its own stuff, so.
I'm telling you, I've been sitting in TQQQ,
With this
and I have
membership,
literally
you
been
also
playing
get
a
unlimited
2 minute
viewing in our
Evo all
videos on
morning.
demand section where
Every
we go over
single
day
trade
trading,
has been
swing
green
trading,
and
call
it's
options,
freaking
covered
crazy
calls,
outside.
cash secured.
Yeah, I've been doing
Sign up today and
SQQQ, so.
remember, all trades are
I
risky.
find it easier
Use
to
your
follow it
stops.
than to
American
go the
Dream
inverse
Trading is not
way.
licensed to give out financial
Yeah.
or investment advice, and everything we
I
discuss is for
I
training
found
and
that too. It's
education
just,
purposes
it's
only.
different because I prefer calls over puts because I feel like calls are a lot easier to, it's a lot easier to function with calls, I think.
And they're cheaper.
And they're cheaper, yep.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah.
Carter, quick question. When I'm doing a options stop loss, like I'm not quite sure what the 0.62 or 0.65, how do I gauge that?
So I'm gonna be honest with you, I don't really know that either. I don't know much about options either.
All right,
I'm just
fair
kind of,
And coach
Yeah.
typically tells you not to use a stop loss on options.
yeah, I usually don't. I'm usually
If you're
just watching
scalping.
it like a hawk.
Well, I thought he always said have stops in place.
He
So
typically,
when you first put the option in and you buy it, you don't want the stop loss then. You want to put that stop loss in after you buy it, and then you can treat it the same exact way.
Yeah.
Right, but how do I know like the 0.62 or 0.8 or 0.2?
What are you talking about, percentage?
No, I don't think it is a percentage. It's just
dollar amount.
He's talking about the deltas and stuff.
I think
Oh,
good.
yeah, so, I mean, that's why coach buys one out of the money, or that one right there. I mean, a better delta is gonna be, better for you. So if you find something that's a 40 delta versus a 70 delta, you want the 70 delta. You know what I'm saying?
No,
So
it's all right. I'll pass on the question. You guys don't understand what I'm saying, or I can't convey it, so.
what is
It's
this?
about your tolerance, where you want to set it, how much you can lose on that contract. So you have to set the amount you willing to lose $10 or $5.
Yeah, I don't know what the 0.69 is that you're speaking of.
Yeah, we can have you ask coach. I'm not really sure either. I'm
He's trying to set a stop loss with a dollar amount. He's trying to figure out how should he set that. So you need to look at your wicks and find that
And
range.
it's a trailing stop you want to do, a trailing stop on your option.
Yeah, but let's say the option or the price is $100 for the share, whatever. But then to put the stop in, it's asking me 0.62, 0.58, 0.7.
Yeah, that's
Is
the
my-
premium.
I can answer your question for you. If you're on your positions tab, where you see your position, if you click on that position and look at your chart, you'll see the option price chart. So you can gauge, okay, I want to risk 20 cents per share. If you got one contract, that's 100, so you're risking $20. So you would just put it 0.20 lower than what you bought in at. And you should be able to look at the chart and see what your position is as far as the limit price. Does that make sense?
Yes, thank you.
You're welcome.
I'm actually a fan of putting in the stop loss previous to starting the option. So I know some people don't like doing that, but I like it, and I have it set up to where I can move it up and down. So it works
I am
really
looking
well.
for, I'm trying to.
But you stay in that options chart, then you don't go back to the stock chart then, right?
What'd you say, Will?
When you set your stop loss, you just stay in that options chart. You don't go back to the main chart.
I've got 4 different charts, so I look at all of them at the same time.
I do stay in that options chart when I want to manipulate my stop loss up and down. Yeah, I stay in that. So I have 2 charts open. I have one chart where I can a normal chart where I can watch the activity of the.
And if you put it far enough out, like for example, I do 30 cents when I'm running on SPY. It just stops those weird things from happening. Like I know that I'm not going to be in it, and then the second I get in, the stock just plummets the opposite direction, and I can't push flatten fast enough. So it is kind of a nice security just in case to have.
And it could also go past that stop loss.
I've only seen it happen once for me, but you know, if you've seen it go the other direction, you're still there on the flatten. But
Once is enough.
It's nice to have.
Yeah, one blow past your stop loss is enough because then you get punished. Like if the stop loss isn't there, you can't click fast enough. Oh man, you get punished bad.
Yeah, that's why coach normally doesn't do a stop loss on his options. He just sits there and watches it because he's scalping it.
Yeah, scalping is totally different.
I don't think Brady doesn't use a stop loss either because he's in and out so fast that.
No, I don't use stop losses.
Yeah, it's so quick.
Yeah, it's more of a protection thing, so it acts on you, and you know.
Oh, understandable, 100%.
So like anybody who's using the EWO strategy should probably have a stop.
Well, yeah,
Because
if you're
it's not
scalping, what you can do is have that stop there, and then when you're in the good, where you're like, okay, I'm gonna look where I want to get out, then you just access stop loss out of there, and then you close it by limit order when you see where you want to get out.
Brady, you watching Tesla?
There was anybody watching? I'm trading something else right now.
Okay.
There was a member in there.
Are you kidding?
Tesla broke me
got
down.
a dumbbell, 60 or 80-pound dumbbell curling while he's trading stocks.
What? Hey, what? Somebody asked what I'm doing? Or no?
Yeah, what are you jumping into?
Where is he at?
I'm riding a put on IBM.
Oh my fucking lord! Go get the goddamn dog.
Hey everyone. Hey.
Sorry
about that, guys.
Oh, that was great. Carter, come on, get a control.
I got him. I had him.
Dog got away.
Who was that? That was hilarious.
I don't know, but it's
You know what though?
It was
That's the
tasty.
real.
We were watching a movie.
That's the real role right there. Like that's real life problems. He was talking like that's real. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
I like that.
Get that dog off the road.
We all do that.
Jimmy,
Guys.
Jimmy, are you
Alright,
listening
bye,
to
bye.
SNTI?
Carter, mute everybody.
Carter.
There we go. Sorry about that, guys.
Hey Carter,
Yep.
that latest IPO, LASD, looked like it got signs of life again. It's at 252.
Lays. Oh yeah, it's up 10% right now.
Jimmy, are you an SNTI?
Great move, Brady, on IBM.
This looks like it's going to be like this looks like it'd be a good one for somebody that wants, like kind of like how Jimmy does.
Yeah.
You
With his.
said
Two
IBM?
red candles on the EWO for SPY. Or NVIDIA. NVIDIA.
What was that, Brady? I'm so sorry.
IBM has been at the downside since 950.
Gotcha. Yeah, I see that.
Got a news update on Google. Apparently their new phones will have a VPN feature. That's awesome.
Oh.
Pixel 7.
Huh.
I don't know. I just see it on unusual wells on Twitter. It just.
Oh, did all you guys just get into IBM right now or something?
Spy Yank.
SNTI.
Spy Yank.
What's
I think they're announcing the Pixel 7 today, so keep an eye on Google for that.
Hey, whoever just got an IBM, thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you, Brady. I got into that put, man.
You guys were talking about the closing your positions on an option, and there was somebody in the chat on the Zoom earlier who had kind of questioned that. So basically, yes, if you set a stop loss, you will have to cancel that before you can then set a limit order and then set that price That's the only way you can get the price above where your current option price is. Now, we've talked about sliding that on the actual chart, but you can't slide it past your actual option price.
What did you just say? You can't do what?
Well, if you open an option chart that actually shows the options, you can actually slide your stop loss up and down, but you can't pass your purchase price, obviously, because it's a loss. So you'd have to cancel that and create a stop limit or a limit order, so that you can set it above.
You mean that you'd have to wait until the stock was actually above your buy price before you could move it to, like, leave it?
Yeah, you can move it. You
I
can
was
move it,
like-
just need to wait the price go up.
I was
or down.
confused with what you were saying. Sorry, Mitch. I was like, wait, what?
No, actually, I can't, well, maybe it's just me, but if it's a stop loss from entry, so I've been doing it on TQQ all morning, I have my stop loss set at 10%. I can only slide it to the purchase price on the options chart.
That's correct.
Yeah, so then I have, if I'm okay with where the rise is gone, I'm good, I'm in the green, I'll go ahead and cancel that and I'll put a limit order above my purchase price. And then I can use that to slide it up as I follow.
Even if it's above it, you can't move it above?
Well, you can't set a stop loss above your purchase price.
No. I mean, after you initiated the
Yeah,
trade.
so it's just, I'm just talking about, there was a person who was asking, if they could, how they could set their stop loss higher, and that was the question I was answering. You can't get it higher.
Oh, like a take profit.
Yeah, it would.
It's no longer a stop loss.
Yeah.
No, yeah, it's not the same thing.
Yeah, so that was the only thing. I know that's been a mechanic that I had to watch a bunch of times to figure out too.
I mean, you can set, well, I know for TV, you can set what they call OCO brackets, which will allow you to put a stop loss on the bottom and a take profit on top. And all of that should be done before you go in.
Yeah, and I think you can do the same on
SPY.
So I mean, yeah, technically, they all have to be attached to each other, so you couldn't do it afterwards. But
But Weibo you can do too. Weibo I do that.
Yeah.
Because I'm driving, then I move both lines up and down.
Nice, yeah, exactly. Whoa,
Fire. You gotta mute your mic.
I got him.
I see someone in
Unless
the
somebody's
chat.
talking, I probably just mute everybody's mic every couple seconds.
Yeah.
Someone in the chat's asking about that 2-minute rule. So Keela, if you go to ADT Education, it's one of the bottom tabs, and you go to, where did he put that?
I think it's in videos on demand.
Is it the new video one?
I'm sorry, so the 2 minute?
It's videos on demand under the paid subscription or like the paid members area.
Yeah.
Anyone in SNTI just broke new high of day?
Brady, was there any bad news on IBM?
Yeah, Biden's investing money into this. So it's tanking. I don't know if that's a complete correlation from one to the other, but Biden's
Well, it looks like it.
An act. He signed like an act to draw momentum towards a new chip for them. But ever since I heard that news, I jumped in and it's been huge. Like, I don't know if you guys are all joining this, you're making money.
Oh yeah, I'm in it with
right.
you. I got
Yeah,
one.
well,
with
not let
with
me
you.
buy an IBM option. Tried like 6
I've been
times.
riding. This is great.
I don't know when you got in, but I got in at like.
Okay.
Not that long ago though, but it's still up decent.
What happened?
Yeah, my trade price is 110. I bought a put at the strike price 124, and it's at 144 right now.
What's pulling?
Just tanking.
That's nice. Yep.
The Microsoft news where they're buying out that other company might be having a negative impact on IBM as well.
What are you guys in? IBM?
Yeah,
I called out IBM a while ago, and it's just straight tanking. And I said,
Whoa,
this would be aggressive.
what's going on with it?
Like Jimmy does.
Biden's
the slow mover.
Brady
It's
just
slow
walked
moving
through it.
down the entire time.
Talk to me. What's IBM doing? Why?
Yeah, Brady, go.
Biden passed something
Yeah, there you go, go ahead.
that way Brady can focus on his trade.
Wait,
So,
Biden passed something to crush IBM?
something about investing 20 million. He's doing a tour currently, and then started dropping at 9:50 this morning.
Wow,
President Biden is traveling to New York to tour IBM's facility as the company promoted $20 billion investment in the Hudson Valley over 10 years, focused on semiconductors, computers, artificial intelligence, and other programs.
why would that crash?
Because Biden's attached to it.
Yeah, that is like that, huh?
Watch the politics, guys. I'm with you. But watch the
No,
politics.
that's just why. That's just sadly why.
I just, okay, that's the weirdest thing ever, right? Hey, we're gonna
I've been
invest.
riding it for a while, and it's just been going, and then before, or as soon as I called it out, it yanked even harder. It'll have a slight little pullback, but it's just.
You guys have been riding IBM for hours?
It looks like it's been trending since open.
Yeah, it hasn't stopped.
Supporters.
The second you said something, it started to die.
Yeah, as soon as I called it out, I was like, it started yanking even harder. And I was
Well,
like, you guys are getting it.
I bought 50 puts. We'll see what it does.
Yeah, that's what I got. I'm in for 50. I'm just watching it.
Hold on, I gotta mute all these mics. What's up with the 8 million mics being open again?
Brady's just kind of relaxing today.
Brady's chilling.
Somebody knows something, Coach, because I just saw an unusual wells. There was a put for, what was it? 150. I'll be back. I lost it.
Okay.
Hey, what happened to the dog? The guy found the dog?
I don't know. I don't even know who that was who was yelling at his dog.
Stacy raised the name on.
Somebody lost their dog?
Somebody
We
was
had
yelling
a
at
very colorful conversation while you were gone.
What in the?
Somebody, some whale did a put for 124 on the video for a strike of 124 on October. Well, heck, today.
Nice.
No, tomorrow.
IBM's still going down.
Yeah, I got in a strike price, coach. The put was at 124. I got in for the trade price at 110, and it's at 168 right now.
Wow.
I like it. It's slow movement. I like the different pace.
Yeah, it's so much easier when they're not volatile, right? When it's just one long move. Like Meta, that's what I was saying. Meta looked good earlier. Let me see what else is going on. I'm just.
SNTI, it's going kind of flat. Would you wait for the break above 760?
What's the ticker?
SNTI.
No, SNTI looks perfect right here this exact second.
No real big walls until 7.
No, you're about to break new high a day too. There you go. There it is.
I'm sorry, I missed, what's the news?
Here, I'll buy it. There, I made $400.
Thanks, one Jimmy I was watching earlier.
Did you see that? Bang! I just made 473 off of that, just like that.
You're welcome.
So yes, like I said, it looked exactly perfect right there.
What gave you that indication?
Everybody.
Yeah, I got it.
It's just one mic.
It's Stephen L.
There goes Goog.
SNTI looked great right there because it was. Wait, no, YouTube Live. Is YouTube working? Can you guys see me on YouTube? Let me know. Leave a comment or a thumbs up on YouTube. Can you see me on YouTube Live? Because it looks like it's up. Did we ever get Nicoletti fixed? I don't see him anywhere.
Third positive. Haven't heard from him since.
Okay, yeah, I don't know what is going on with that crap.
Hey, Coach, I don't show you live on YouTube unless I'm missing something.
Does anybody see me live on YouTube?
I can't see you live either. And several TikTokers can't either.
That's weird because I'm staring at the live. Let me close it and reopen the live.
It's the shine on your bald head.